Now saw the 70 hours.
Feed that.
When
the fundamentals are weak, Atoforce will expose you. Simple as that. When the fundamentals are weak, yes. Atoforce will expose you. Simple as that. Me say Baumia, no feed that. Say Baumia who be feed. Oh Ghana.
Sasa bro second you also the thing.
Say the Baumia. Pressure washing machine for 7 solid hours or 70 hours or 5 days. Now now it's so clean, blue. That to bibia gumwa. Now you feel man. The fine one the same fine and good. Entro, Aza, Apo, Adia only.
Entro near them.
Entro near. Me baba GCD no. Why strong? Intimidate ama IGP. Minister IGP ni boto no na etokro demo.
And on entro.
Now or the 4 cities equal 17 cities. 4 cities or the 17 cities.
The initial washing machine.
Washing machine for 7 hours. Now start mini PR. If you want the same thing. See,
Abronya is doing. Look at the things Abronya is doing. Attacking the man of God. Don't can really ish. Or no Abronya no be determine who a good man of God and who a proper prophet of God is. Yes, see, American president. He was invited to be the person to pray for the president. Anna.
Yeah.
And we think Ghana for him just as America for home. Huh? You want to call Bishabui? You want to call Bishabui? Papa is a visa. Multiple entry or 2 million. You came. Crowable. Over to be a Juma 50 years. America 1 year, but you buy over see that. No
prepare.
And now more America for the president can realize the problem. No, Abroye. No.
Please. Also,
you see here?
No, please.
The person has no conscience. You have no conscience.
Abronya has no conscience.
Oh, please. Regional chairman. Growing up, now you can be a regional chairman no ba. Papa Penny Nimdie for Kasabin Kasebi. No, growing up, who is a regional chairman? Hey, I said you get job up on region because I go for the promotion. On for Abronya going to region go chairman. Abronya, get that crap. Unit committee ground me.
Oh, Abronya.
Jesus.
Greater Accra.
Unit committee.
It's
your mechanism.
Onya.
Everybody. Your mechanism. They be our ye, Natalia Black. They be our ye. Oh, does it? The person is evil. He himself can say that easy.
I was here for your member of SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. Your friend me PROF Abotchie, aka Prof, and there Monday. Yatanasi, lots of issues to talk about right here. And remember, maybe I will be out on remember show see live on Facebook. Facebook it's SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. And also remember, so the show is again live on YouTube, SOMPA 106.5 FM live. And we are everywhere within the social media space. And of course, our affiliates are also a part of the show today for God and Country. When you go to Techiman, it's SOMPA 106.1 FM. It's live over there. And again, remember, it's also live on SOMPA 101.1 FM. So it means that our tentacles are spread everywhere. We are everywhere. Maybe I will be able to follow show. You can do that. And also remember, so on Facebook, that is where your comments would be welcome. Right here, of course, on the show. And also remember again that on this show, we welcome your thoughts via 0260-1960-64 0260-1960-65. There are a whole lot of issues to talk about. Remember, what I saw in the video, show you Electroland Ghana Limited, Time Herbal Mixture, Medima for Herbal Center, Lexter Company Limited, and then TechnoSpark 40 series. They are all part of our sponsorship for today live here on the show. And then come on, it's a letter that has been written by Mr. Dankwa Smith Boothie, or no the acting national chairman of the New Patriotic Party, and the letter reads to all regional executive committee, consist 20 executive committee members from the national acting chairman. The subject is amnesty and adherence to party discipline and protocols within the party. I bring to you warm greetings from the National Secretariat of the party. I write to inform you that the National Council, at its emergency meeting held on Friday, July 25, 2025, resolved, in the interest of unity and reconciliation, to grant general amnesty to all party members who have been suspended or whose disciplinary cases are currently pending before the appropriate adjudicatory bodies. We hereby serve notice that this directive lifts all such suspensions and waives any ongoing proceedings against affected members. Members who have forfeited their memberships are required to submit a formal application, take note, to the National Secretariat for reinstatement. Upon reinstatement, you shall remain ineligible to contest any internal party elections until mandatory 2-year period has elapsed. This measure reflects the party's unwavering commitment to fostering internal cohesion, strengthening solidarity, and preparing collectively for the political task ahead. In view of this resolution, party leaderships at all levels is hereby strictly advised to refrain from any arbitrary suspension of members. All disciplinary matters must be handled solely in accordance with the procedures, principles, and due process provisions expressly enshrined in the party's constitution. The National Secretariat requests all full compliance with its directive. We count on your continued cooperation. Signed, Dr. Dankwa Booth Smith. Boothie, I beg your pardon, he's the acting national chairman of the party. Yakwa Manus is here. Now, yani chairman Boothie. Ninsashe krata ya seno na no edin komo anyway. Chairman Bute na mpacho apom to say yeba akwa baba for God and country. I was SOMPA 106.5 FM. Oh, Chairman, you feel too much. Chairman, you feel too much.
Too much.
Oh, you feel too. We are solid. We are fantastic. We are brutal. But Chairman, you use a statement about the Toabon thing. But the kind I can our brofo kasem at the actual unity for woti. Na me pacho say oh bono tofa e wa kan kasem wa. Chairman wadaruma then na MPP amanyuku no e pachire.
Ne pachire ne say ye pe asumdwe wo party no ye pe koye so party no. Sebe sa dia situye sa na get party no ye sign rebuild the party because suspension na won't too much. Maybe if central region, the Mamma Central region back one constituency and now two na me find example.
SOMPA FM.
Oko Sodra, which is Agona Wester. Almost suspending about 290.
Wow, central region 290.
Yes. So one of them was let me do for example. 290 one constituency. So 290 no ya dwene mu no if say ba ku bia na dofo anini nua no ne na ye 10 a ya lusu say na sa 10 for no so plan so enso nkofo be wadwe so omonto aba no in this year course continue say no anwo ha bela ko lusu 2028 to tema jik grant amnesty for 2013 you know. And no, and the general so much to me who had deemed to be winning 2016 because ya one of food didn't know if you know the mission fish said, young for now on board from the amount of trouble me to lose casino. Only never on board because we are rebuilding the party.
So, Chairman, you feel, sir, and that the party, because this is a communique emanating from the National Executive Committee of the party. So the party then now feels, say, I am Kugu Amudi, the 2024 general elections, you know, it's as a result of the numerous suspensions a course within the party. A man but
but
it's a factor.
Yes, one of the factors. No.
na my report on so into me feature was and go for the country in amnesty. But your constitution say wa my second one my dikambo agona west there.
Okay, that's fine.
Your Gomwa Central chairman and secretary or support to independent candidate also to saying Gomwa Central. Sarfo no omo baya we omo but omo to misan ko tiki omo position as chairman and secretary view omo members of the party, but they cannot
SOMPA FM
to contest any elections which is 2 years. And no an independent candidate and also and to win for the party and not to win position via party no is 2 years about.
But Chairman, reading your communique now, and of course listening to some political pundits within the political space, they make the argument that the letter Wachro Ediababetua Bonting, one stating, sir, Wamoba, they cannot contest for any internal party elections. And then two, they meba two. Omo just suspend you na womu ni party no again they are saying say they cannot contest for any internal party elections until the mandatory 2-year period. And again, perusing your letter, I also came across the fact say they would have to reapply to become members of the party. Chairman, you don't think say sir, clauses here letter it doesn't make the letter apologetic enough and so appealing to your members, sir. One war about things, sir. One brand number done. Amanyoko Nibio. Okay.
Omo independent no. Omo is a party no. And she ibono na your constitution no. So we join now call independent. We sign bar. I was so near 2 years as I no contest elections no money. Omo could independent candidate openly almost support to independence no almost already constitution and him say even you grant to amnesty cry and grant to amnesty I'll bet you letter by patcho you grant to amnesty so still 2 years as I know to be a contested election will let us also deba.
So they are aware
a party constitution or am we aware in the year free na one who are no be on the as case be on any war and we were only a papa be but was be our name in table in your face. What can be as suspended?
That's a microphone so some microphone now will say one would say beer or new be and tell Casacasa they see as any panel or no one could do be
SOMPA FM.
On Troy, but party members is here.
But or a party members is here, I'll bet me contesting for any general elections within the party.
I the only two has contest, yes. So one call independent, and as one will support independent, they will be contesting. With the 2 years we are now so.
With the 2 years we are now so. And that one was not stated explicitly in the communique that was giving out.
We did any about the latest by the all the constituencies and all the regional constituencies, we will spell it out there.
But Chairman, you have already said, sir, winning an election is already it's just about the numbers, and now you are giving them conditions. I've heard some of them publicly, especially my good friend Ebo Backman, saying, sir, and they are not going to come back because of the conditions enshrined in the communique.
One more independent no. One more party for ma vice party no to nyai no. Omo the bra friend say omo betwele tanaba. Omo nye say dia be omo nyina na baba. Ye make what here. Omo nyina na baba. Meba. Until say letter we a mo dia baba to abonten no. Munim say enyo mu nyina na beba. Nyina na beba. Wan mo sa no mu no e na ofi say womo de womo nsam be capacity. Me to be minimum obi. Me ni obi adwene mu. Me to be minimum obi. but minimum say I did your baby and you be an support and then you be answered over can say okay what can say matemeba. What did I make an say? But Obama ye ready and Obama ye peeved. It didn't Obama ye pit Obama petition their brain. Omo de just Obama will be a petition their brain and just when you're ready to be free party. In the petition you go feel the endorse no. It's by the time I jai side in a petition some jaiba.
Yeah. I think it's a good move, but I was just reading some chronicle of issues are being tabled by Dr. Arthur Kennedy and then the likes of Paula Foku, and they seem to suggest say the lecture is not apologetic enough.
SOMPA FM.
Say ubi grant amnesty and just occupy chow.
Okay.
If as a president will grant amnesty amount among the prisons no refia occupy the part of the prison chow.
And Tanya Chopa.
David.
But Chairman, you need the numbers. You need the numbers. There's a way you have to go about it. You need the numbers. You.
Your members now almost show letter but say quite almost fast so suspend your money on my petition to us. Woman, no, we will in your member back in the party. What did I mention? And you say, I patches a couple pictures at Chinchina Umra. No. Our bonnie, a document discipline committee, and a general discipline committee for Nayai. Party number will be a white bonnie, I was a uniform cry, will be a white giant continue party, and I will be a support independent candidate, and I will be a one party for independent. And they want for fatal membership. In this area, so was I bar or no constitutional letter bra. Once will be 2 years as I want to be a contest any election in the party. That is all black and white.
Ntenya chopa bia na mo po bia say womra party no but yes ntenya chopa, so that should be on record.
Yes. Enya pacho ya pesu bia back omo ya suspend omo ni ade na ebufu ni ade nyina pe free.
Okay, so what if the movement of for change led by Honorable Alan Kojo Chairman thing and Napamfo kase okay letter na mwachro no MPP mo na etwa mo fruma, and for that matter they want to rejoin the party, would they be welcome?
Oh yes, say Omo say Omo for fatal members we don't about 2 years then almost so don't need 2 years time Omo do a contest they can come. Why not? Omo your members.
Chairman, menim say MPP adishie etie pa and we on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. And then from where I came from, especially the Bunu East region, I could see say there's that kind of antagonism between some executive members and then some members of the party. If he say going forward, how would the party handle such issues?
And you say discipline never party on the actual crowd. Discipline from the day I'm usually honest in the ground, we are born here, you do discipline committee, but there was a fuck and papa so. So, yes, if you are not to let once was suspended, no. Fanema discipline committee find this bra. This committee didn't find this in the banner say yes, more suspended and fine, be it. But you see, a baby, I was Siciano, I was in your career, in Kaboom. So, it is in Kaboom and a Korean bar in between 2028. It made me feel say, or my bonnet, or my yellow, with the actual.
Now, Chairman, you won't say, Chairman, I beg to interrupt. You keep on saying, say, you need unity. So why not say, Uncle Lecter, with the tone would have suggested, say, party, rather than giving certain clauses with Chairman,
independent in India, our constitution is our forfeit membership. It is only a samba. Just 2 years as I want to be a contest. But
can there be a waiver to that effect?
No. know they mean your way.
And they don't mean your way.
There be and the constitution now spelled out black and white. To mean your way. By getting from who I be brino and the between your baby.
Chairman, we must thank you for your time because Yenim say you know Kasai US abridged remember when Kasa, and because of the love you have for our station, that is why you have granted us this particular opportunity to have this communication with you.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. And the kind of bond that we have. And we expect, say, Ubedu Ganaha, you'd come over here. We have that one-on-one we have been having because we cherish you a lot. But Chairman Buti.
Well, I don't have a problem with that.
But Chairman, there's another worrying and disturbing issue within your party. And I know it has caught the attention. Party for the money be. Ate a year one kasa social media radio space, and what they use those spaces to do is to denigrate or insult elders and even presidential candidates for their primaries for your party. Those people actions when I'm going to take you home.
Yeah, tell say I didn't know you a process we actually gradual into one after the other. You better can one before the election. What is a no dano? Me too. The back information I mean say no credit. I'm say no dano. As far as in our committee. No matter what you say, ubia ne ubia or supporting the akokasa na tem di no nyi frame. Wa o man say wa bu so ubi o support bia odidi ubia tem no. Di back no I was say sanction no. In the person me TV o man as far as say no credit o mo course meeting dia. It is almost here the Abua party no. My idea is Yago show.
But Chairman, within the party's constitution, of which you guys as respectfully ascribe to, say obijina eye simpie so, ana ojina eye abe fontintan kese so, edi party batem, edi party mpanyimfo atem. Party ni this year, Kobeti Nabaye president, Ediamo or minor. Send the constitution, a quan bench na constitution, the catch Mose Mufa send the pan faso. Because it looks as if you are glossing over all this.
The constitution no say, will be out the party, you know, and we yam beko rough or beko bebia into this retreat to be ano, I was suspended.
Sure.
Did I say again gradually? You back what they be Yakumino. Into we are banner, you better was Samaka. If you are better one Samaka, say at the end of the division, into Biana, we are aspirant. My officer Biana in the Wendim and Quabia, and yet undercover. And yet the others will be a bee, the name I could do be a term. I can support will be because we are party executive member of our constituents and our region. Name follow be a so your regional chairman candidate is about you be back on the name of an rounds. But Chairman, I had the opportunity of sitting within a certain group of people within the New Patriotic Party, and what they tell me is that as the leadership of the party, you know, as a muya mu nipa bi mu ho a musuro se mo de monsa ebe kasankro foro. And the name popped up. You're the Bunu regional chairman of your party, Chairman Abronye. Who is he? Media. So far as I'm concerned, no national chairman, me patrol the team. Me regional chairman, my regional chairman, my be that. Into be where regional chairman be into me. For 3 times, 3 consecutive times, I'm here, regional chairman. I know how it is to become a friend and say regional chairman.
A regional chairman.
And he said, "Would the partner by you and for the form there and it will never happen."
Because I know how you are. Now you have assumed the position of the acting national chairman of the party. You know, I know how disciplinarian you are because I remember, party, you know, then had issued a statement inviting Chairman Abronye to a meeting. And he never turned up, making sure he throws your party into disrepute.
Yes, what I'm trying to say is that, yes, sir, maybe, and I'm not chairman, I'm not acting.
But you were the first national vice chairman of the party then. You could have added your voice to it.
That time, what kind of majority now way out?
Oh, okay.
But this year, I can tell you for sure, this year one. All the officers on the year one, TBB between a cost come.
Now I can see more open nominations. Nominations now more open. No, amount for starting. For forms. And I'm also observing that those are one person who to Abama lead party. No, they have started going around garnering for support for their base. A photo bang and now what when a cheetah for any the presidential aspirant hopefuls for the New Patriotic Party.
The American say Ubia Kanchan Chirata for say Omontom Boise. We are to Paniako, internal election. In TBB and Mono, Mr. say Omontom was Ubia Ba, Untinasem. Okotobana, we anyway, the open and over to Mr. Monia, the Bedman Toba, Anagas Casaba. Because we will be behind with damage in a campaign. It's all quite a devia. Depending on the campaign.
All right, so Chairman, we'd want to thank you, but I am praying that under your leadership as the national chairman of the party now, no, and again, I know, sir, the movement for change, Honorable Alan Kojo Chairman, we understand, sir, and the movement is going to transition into a political party. Is that a worry to you as a acting national chairman of the party? May say, movement for change, Honorable Alan Kojo Chairman, they are now transitioning from a movement for change into a political party, emanating from the New Patriotic Party. Is that not going to be a worry to you as the acting national chairman of the party?
We are seeing quite better the party. We are seeing quite better Samba.
Obian seen the coin say or better the party. Now Obian soon see the coin say or better Baba. Ebo Backman say me chow. Oh, fidemu ha no a dinkobo. And he tells me say Chairman Bute a disciplinarian pa. No kaya at the time. Idea was suspended. No. Now Chairman Bute wababa di MPP enimi there. Officer bibi sabe timi abuaba party no bibi akoye Chairman Bute me bacho Ebo Backman Chairman Bute mami.
Chairman
FM.
Chairman is right.
Chairman on you say to no. I know your relationship he's one person
yeah.
Even though 2018 or bomb hard.
Hard.
Oh yes. Until you keep go seat no.
Oh.
Now, or you be so still. I mean, one of few politicians are.
Yeah.
I mean, you know what? Good relationship.
Sure.
Most you know how. I mean, I know your relationship.
Yeah.
Because there were powers. No. Actually. Internet because obviously chairman no him dem can pa
sure
na mo na campaign campaign until you be very good relationship and I respect him. In fact, you share last Friday.
Yeah.
You share we even have ourselves.
Wow.
No kado him dem work.
Chairman Hagida says you about acting national chairman there. So why wouldn't you go and join your brother?
No. I check that now they are on chat because now it's no executive office. I don't want to have a more be and so on chat as a national chairman. And the man can support it, but one chance no one way correct is okay. I support as the phone. It's the chairman say, "I am papa," and we have a very special relationship, and we keep it regardless of party politics.
Sure.
The chairman say, "Everybody safe flight." Now, everybody so I be sharing is in common.
Chairman Rajo Otebenka. Hello, Chairman Bute. Chairman Bute, are you on the line, please? I think we have lost him. Okay, so let's see if we can call Chairman Butte back here so we can have a dialogue.
But that's what I'm getting one time.
So let's see, we would get Chairman Butte and then finalize this conversation with him.
When Nadado didn't want me, you see Chairman Butte against me. Even though Chairman Butte was a very good friend. Yes, and see, it's now you must have a canal task. It's now you can't get this thrown. Yes, and see, that is the game of politics for you. But it's a very nice gentleman. Yeah.
So we are calling, but it looks as if the network is not helping us to make sure we establish contact. So that's what it is. I believe all questions we me patrol. So I believe, sir. Yeah, I believe, sir. All the conversations that needed to talk about has been answered by Chairman Butte right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. I have any general. I have grown up. I have any baby questions. Oh, how's it then?
But then I wanted to set a record straight. But
record Ben and
no. I just wanted to make a point there. To also clarify there, when I was suspended, it's not because I had done something wrong against the party. I was the youth organizer of the party. If I was disqualified, let me put it that way. I was disqualified for no reason. And later I was disqualified. Do you know what they said in the letter? Also, for a reason that cannot be stated in this letter, you can't be allowed to contest the primary. For a reason that cannot be stated in the letter. That's MPP for you.
Lawyer Sabe speaks for the New Patriotic Party. He's joined us over here. Many patriotic. But what did you say?
Prof. Namiado. I
am a hard game kakra. Ade.
Excuse me to say it's a tangible question. Question I hear teacher, you dream when correct.
If I interview I'll do a playback. Interview na me yes catch up I'm going to do a playback.
Chama put the letter by MPP for more mujanya suspend your money and a bit so kasa. A bit sir. And then I meet a sister station back no Polafoko na or Casaho. Now or say will be a NPP for most open cabum. That's a more friend. After more sounded condition as hard to you.
That's also been sad conditions. But he has made it explicit. Say, po biacho say. Omra.
Okay.
Come out on your own volition, not on your own will. And the love of party. Even though they need numbers to win 2028. But they are saying, say, and ya dear po biacho.
Now, Prof, what is our statement? No kind. I
am not here to judge.
So I suspended me. That's all person back. Casado.
Anything. Casadede. So tafrede no.
Don't tafro casa no hamana yende.
Me na mi so tafre mango. Guys, this is what I Prof.
I can go forward to your kind. What the Abba LP before I suspended over the assume. But condition that's not no day. It is overheard of my baby because you need to name Mumbra. According to him, the gross here numbers. These are numbers, number Casade, any acrocrobia, Miami, Trimunia, and the near Badia. According to him, was your own Bobiacho, where not chopa, and the let them Yaba Yasum. Prof, and whether I come in diverted Kakra, not coming far from presidency last week. Oh my,
David, we'll go there. Now, as I said, per the information that you have, the Padudo Sempan or Mapamu movie party.
Oh, you are. Don't touch us, Rakubrobi. You want to say Tazar.
No, but these are records we are speaking to. So, and yes, some lamb, bro. No, these are records we are speaking to. Sure.
Dr. Rekubrobe, always suspended, and I hear a Paula Fuku.
Dr. Naho Tamaklu, yes, suspended.
Dr. Naho Tamaklu. Per my investigation.
No, was he suspended? No, he wasn't suspended. But I talk about Dr. Naho Tamaklu, but producer, Dr. Naho Tamaklu,
about a month ago, your friend will interview me. And also a member of the Good Standing that will introduce. Also a member of the Good Standing. But Charlie, will be a member of the Good Standing.
Yeah.
NPP. Party the more they say.
Party the more.
That's me journalism. I'm a NPP. That's me giant. At least I'm a communication minister. And as a communication assistant.
More the
party the money I suspend you be. And you have friendly banner by a CM pound. But
meanwhile, move your numbers.
How do you get the
party a woman independent as a MP, they say loser.
On party,
they say you really what you want to make.
Last time, another arrest.
Party more.
Charlie. New patriotic party, but frankly, frankly, I want to say something. Chairman Bute is one of the leaders in the New Patriotic Party I revere so much. And once he's become the acting chairman of the party, I believe say one no pana abesha side way I say. A party no ehwehwe enkabom sisi. I would have wished say and I would have loved say Chairman Bute and Kobe instance say letter we are yede kwa bonten no enya apologetic enough. But as he rightly put it or say omukoshia it's about numbers. Perhaps I know him say one no there and he would have opted for the fact say let's not put any conditions be out there.
Yeah.
Yes, I know Chairman Bute very well. I know Chairman Bute well.
Now, Prof. Chairman, only power be ultimately declarations.
And
I said this to more so.
The National Executive Committee.
The ghost of Leonardo is still haunting the party.
What's it?
The ghost of Leonardo is still haunting the party.
Nanado.
No ghost. Ghost in quotes.
Okay. Because and the ghost in quotes. The Samine in quotes. It's still hunting the party.
Oh yeah, he's still the one in charge of the party. Yes, 9.
Nanado.
But this is the Nana People's Party. This is not the NPP New Patriotic Party in 1992.
I'll come back to you.
Nana People's Party. Since 2007. We control party na. Nzama, I check Chairman Bute, a very nice man.
Something.
By 2007, so Bakano Kwara, Nanyim Central, somebody like me and others were disqualified in the party. Not because I have Bonibia party, but because they support Alan Chamantim will lose to Legon. So we became targets. 14 of us were disqualified. Shaba, Dr. Ano, who was even regional treasurer, Eastern regional treasurer of the party, was disqualified. Can you imagine? I was the youth organizer, disqualified. Shaba was disqualified. Because when I said, I will not, I said, MPA. We be about contest no yale ni pe bia no do disqualify. Nti dama control no your party no do no zima akrai what's it I will cause no ogina kwanchen ana ogina kwantia. He's still the one still no playing the drums for the tadpoles to be dancing on the surface of the water. So he's still the one in charge. Until they be able to disconnect that no influence in the party no I'm telling you the party was still going to continue to solve.
All right, Mami, that's it. Last time,
Yeah, and yeah, Prof. David, no.
Lawyer Sebe.
David, now I'm not so tetewa. And yes, I'm get what.
What tetebu?
David.
Na say the ebo back pan.
Ma mema one ma bejo afo nyina. Intro ya bubo ni sesi ya mode penalty ato ho a ye boshe kufufu ufrewe intro. Ufrewe empo di intro po. Dey say me nua na wo. Maka cho say me no ahia di nkomo say ehia mu nyina mo back. It is how fire me bebre say ya me ntimi respond because me hia o back. Na ye hunu say the chairman bute nkomo ane na di nyina no wo na akopie no.
Why?
Say, what now was in the letter?
Me na my heading.
What now was in the letter? Apologetic enough.
Have you read the letter? Have you seen the content? Have you analyzed the content? Question, lawyer. Sebe.
Yes.
Have you read the letter?
I have.
And you think it's apologetic?
No. The point I'm making is what now pushing is saying the letter apologetic enough. True or false?
Oh, I would have to do that.
Yes, that is what brought in that issue. Say, enye chopper. Now, what is if you say something as apologetic? What is it? This is the meaning: expressing or showing regretful acknowledgement of an offense. What offense has Chairman Bute or the MPP committed?
Because Chairman Bute in the conversation, listen, in the conversation had said, some of the suspensions were not suspensions. That
is to him. As far as he is concerned, you see,
he is the acting national chairman of your party. So he's speaking in that capacity, and you are telling me that is to him.
That is Prof.
This is contradictory, right?
Wait. You will get me if you allow me. You see, those were the days, and sad to me, the Ashesha constituency executives, Binom and Sa, within their constituency, they had the right to do whatever they wanted to do. If they wanted to kind of say suspend you obetimi aye me nua ebo wakane de na me yehunu say no, he was not treated fairly. These are some of the situations chairman eka ho asem no, but say okay apologetic they are not just say in all no wa accept say bibia course wo bia no the party executives and the leadership were at fault.
Okay, so you know
in that sense so yes sir, no or undermining the authority of Onuano executives or missioners.
Okay, so in as much as you people need numbers to win an election,
yes,
and now you are giving them conditions, and you think these conditions would give them that kind of impetus, the drive to come and join your party again?
Which of them now can one say me? It's a condition which has to do with the fact that they need 2 years before they can,
and they have to reapply
for an election.
For a reapplication.
So you ask a fundamental question, say, at the end your constitution neka. You will be chairman say their constitution neka, he cannot go, he's not beyond the constitution. It is so go by what the constitution says. Don't forget, say Ubisa one question that I liked. There are the constitution so for waivers. That is why when in 1997 Ebra Nanado Dankwa Kufuado enemu 2007 2007 thank you Alhaji Bawumia as the running mate it is on record say he wasn't a member of the party and he needed to be a member in good standing for 5 years before he could be nominated.
But it was waived.
That's what I'm saying. There is a waiver.
So why could he?
As far as the chairman is concerned, in his letter now, he's going by the constitution. He has the power to do what he has done. But see a bit wave, and or no some anywhere. So once they come in, then there is another hurdle to be cleared. Whether that waiver should be given, granted, and remember, say, when no 8 million, your friend is saying wholesale. No. It should be case by case situation. You understand what I'm trying to say? So don't just say he wasn't. The letter is not apologetic enough.
It wasn't. It is not. It isn't.
You see, you can't satisfy. You see, from where you are standing and where you are coming from, and the analysis you've made over the years, there is no way NPP will draft such a thing for you to come and support.
No.
But at least
it could have been better. It could have been better.
So there is room for improvement, isn't it?
No, but
so there is room for improvement.
They should have done all the necessary and said was letter about.
So no, you can't get everything right.
No. But this one basic. This is basic.
Oh, so
this is basic.
So
this
what about
basic?
So
basic,
what you mean
don't
is
have to miss.
Is it the case that Odibe shame in the issue and asenka onka so mu nyina obi am contesting?
No. You see what you do if you want to write such letter. Learn him there obi no kro ya there are people in the party who feel party not because we are born or party no.
There are people but not
yeah,
all.
I'm coming. But
you said there are people but not all.
But those people were treated unfairly. No was able full cry. So if you want those people to come, so you don't give them conditions there. So I know they before cry, Now apply to come back to the party. 1, 2. Our party must so position. But 2 years and start our contest. And I'm saying there, so really a pair dumb if you never be doing hearing paza you don't give them set conditions.
So
it is as much as not too much there. Oh, one a bufunti wufi party no yes one fenche name one bra back na party no without giving them conditions. That would have been better than more what is because you can't give general amnesty with conditions. If it is conditional amnesty, fine. But this is general amnesty, yet with conditions.
Okay, but Maminko Bunu East region, there is a brother over there, one also within the party, Okodi, a independent candidate, BHE. Independent candidate, Okodi the Chiro, a Yenu Bema Charles. Somebody Kai Charles. Or grandson of Charles didn't say. Oh, Charles Osu. Asabosu, that maybe I call about SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Accra.
I want you to so.
Now, I put to say.
Oh, I'm going to be here. Now, you feel.
What from your home?
You feel Bunu East, papa.
Yeah. That's it. Now, me did piece a letter. The acting national chairman of the party, Chairman Smith Boothie, Eddie Abase, wamu granted amnesty to a party members. Ya suspended omono. I think you have seen that letter.
I was in my home.
When who's our letter? No, to some of you, how would you respond to the content of the letter per your understanding?
Yo, I was here, but that's a bit brave. But I'm far and cheers from Emma Sumpa. At your phone now. I'm in chairman party and penning for General Secretary. Now, Frank Bella, who for Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Babio will be a beer, then Falconias now, I'm in chairman. I would see the Dinkano, you better party penning for no asset. Sir, what in I share now, why am to hear? I say, sir, Sabi, yeah, the party the Mrano, a cofumiano. Omo ahwese ombetimi ede bone achen awoji ko bia no emra ewom enti se ko de woye na se wamma emra na ewokuo no mu no antintima awoji ede nse bebre ebeba ewokuo no enti yarum bi de awoji ebise bibi ne ko baaye ema sa na mo no etu ye woni mu nkransa no problem a da ho dada ba na efiu se enka yeracha so usu ebeye obi a oba begina ye ntamu se na be ya anka party no de asomje be ba nkwansa no franka ye seat no abochi nka ye nsa aka enti de di nka no ye beda empenufo na se ode salite ya base nyina ye nka mbom ko abochi wo hwe de NDC a start eye ewo mayimu a ene machiwe ene maisi ye ba ye mfa presidential jet ye ba ye fa presidential jet Galamsi, Yabatu Asia, Galamsi, Atiatisi. What you heard the Koswa, Kuku for your buy the more 6,000 and then buy the 120 now too. What you heard in a say, NDC, a bino, a idea, and you have a Bwagana for.
Okay, but Obi, that is not a subject for conversation. You were affected by those suspensions. And I'm asking you, Are you rejoining the New Patriotic Party?
Yes, I am joining the New Patriotic Party because in some way in this for the Togan of Wenemo. They are now buying no more. Wow. You hear saying never came one boom. It's depending for now. I would see over the Catano by the better one say. No one who said, but the party that you know. Young Kamumwa, about why. Okay, so
Obi. Now, what Jatu said, you are going to rejoin the party. You are going to reapply to rejoin the party. And again, Untimin contest any internal elections in the party for the next 2 years. You agree to that?
Aboji Medasi. I would let her know.
Mini Chairman Bute Akasa is the acting national chairman of your party, and that's exactly what he says. So, are you prepared to rejoin the party based on those convictions?
About in the first case, let her know me kind, me denounce my party membership. And now, when him say the scene there, Obian wow, one mama letter say was suspending me. Every party. I would remember to say, Obi say my former boss, Popa, former Bunu is regional communication director. Ono de eba say okwa fafantono. Ono tro krata ebe to eye Ghana nyina say efiri nokro no ono onye ADP ni biem. Na okwa ko bon say e oba bi foforo. But in my case, I never wrote any letter.
But you were out there openly campaigning against your party's candidate, and you were campaigning for Charles Owusu, an independent candidate. Automatically, it sends you out of the party. You think the party leadership don't know?
Yes. When you look at Article 3, but the only answer they say, me in my case, I never denounced my party membership. I was not giving any letter. I did not write any letter out. 7 year MPP ni BM. It's all because example for a ban on which you got. Because I pay many North secretary on another network. He was insisting, say, Obi for letter, Embra, Azana, ya join Aboji. The only answer say, party no ako if you say never be why, yeah. What you mean to say never be why, yeah, a tia party number. No more say a bassing in a claim home. What if you say, said now be can what my amnesty until you let it go. Now, Ubia, Sabi, Okodi, with Sabiano. But what you be to me, dear, I won't show that and the trouble is when your party for the immediate. So I want a party to follow them. If you say in the other class, no. Now, maybe I'm a team of class and brother of Abuji me, but I mean, Dr. Mahmoud Bodia. Now we have campaign, Dr. Mahmoud Bodia.
That's the independent candidate.
No, dear, what you know, someone at the home. I see a problem. Amnesty Abbey. As I say, national and the regional, no, a conquest of North. Now, upon amnesty in Chino, obviously, she had the aggrieved old police station executives, no. What is our buy my independent young quite do remono. No, almost about you be a master in for a year. Say almost to sound among them. I was already changing that. So in this case, so go on because I'm not so no crowd do the party you might cram in your beam. Until let it be a mature. Does that mean say party in here say the vote now?
Very well. It's very well.
Some make a win and I said, volatile. And people for and say, okay, me, so I must say, come in here. Me, Obi, one letter.
All right. Okay, so Obi,
based on party's constitution, and now more because you're good independent. Why would you say I'm some actuality my party. Does that mean that the elections, then this for you, about you said, the quarter of 7 to my party now. I don't know, it's your brother saying again.
I think very well. Your position has been well taken. We want to say a big thank you for joining our conversation this afternoon in Accra for God and Country on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Would have loved to have you over here, but anytime I'll be back, let's have a feel of you over here. Awesome. All right. Was that right?
people are deadly. No, quick one.
Yeah.
MPP are a deadly party. I'm telling you. So you should be very careful. Now listen to me. Say, automatic forfeiture.
MPP
are a deadly party.
Why?
Deadly. I'm telling you. I'm coming. Say. Also, or automatic forfeiture. No, automatic forfeiture. So when I apply, obey fuzi. So when the poll we are be the of a position there, they will make reference to it.
IOB.
Yeah, guy, yeah, friend. In the kitchen, Panichao, the unsure uncle. So what's unsure? Because he's dealing with a deadly people. Hey, they can always make reference.
About backman, is that what you say?
MPP a party, if men send go.
Sir.
They will use it against you or the island. Come Japan, answer 2020. But that done now, back home, or your campaign was in another nature, baby Bokobia, who was a woman appointment. And in there.
Last about
you see, my senior brother Ebo, who say, CA, or no, or in quotes, affected persons, Libya. And our friend back also, and in a dinkomo. Oh, say Nipano, me Obeba. But and yet it be any money. Okay, and it be our beba. He has taken a stance. He has taken the stance. Say, oh maybe you. So said the channel. Oh maybe you. And you know, what's any argument? You know, Obia or no so no. I agree. So no or no so baby you know. Oh response or dema. So say any background you want tiasi. Now one on tiasi. That is why Chairman Buta says, "Enyo bia untimin ka say what your letter to unya obia manaba back. Ye can sign kepe. Mini ebonya say o ka say o ma back ntimi jama na kwasa wo. Onu anim say me ne sha say di ho nkomo no. Me no di ho nkomo ansa na letter we ye dey eba. Me no be so say di ho nkomo. So we are doing our very best to get all our members back because ye kwa pray up a dom dia. E de ni amaye de na kutai na ahwere yen. Etimo de atwetwe ni abobo amubedi muni near we am from Swaya, near to me and correct one after the other. Nanipa mede and Asia Cassia and Mano, a year Honorable Kennedy, a compraco a Japan. In April, I shall say, thank you, Tono. A dear this in an iswa of drumming home pan say, Yama amnesty, Manipana, or Murphy party Munanya day, or Monsa Emra. It made me who let away a hot and I'm a comfort every year a buy, say no. Decision I'm going to take on 25th of July, no. I shall see implementation no ya dia beto say year adwuma eti sempo yakoba ako na dia to so mienu no ebinum fi say no yenyim free okra na eti na abochi ene awiei wama ye bobo hu MPP we are a listening party eti etie ne hu say dia yenu ebo kan eno na beboa ebo problem ne letter na obetro no na esi yi free okra ma ne ba I'm telling you an authority and that's what here or Kati MPP on Kati, I know what is in him, and we need him.
Okay, so you are telling me,
example,
David, yes. You are telling him, say, unim ebo backman.
Yes.
And na unim die ewunim.
That is correct.
You are telling us, say, unim uncle ebo backman.
Yes.
And you are telling us that unim die ewunim.
Yes. Oh yes.
And the ebo backman etia. But Sarfo katranka we. Ebo backman. Etia, Ebusia, Ebo Backman, what is in you?
In fact, what is in me?
Yes.
Because I'm a person of principle. I left MPP on principle, not because of the. I don't believe the MPP or Ebusia. When we be into political party, you join. Nti bibi no may join the political party na bibi no meeting ifi political party aza omo me fi MPP mu no this MPP sisale the aza omo may join the party no me J 1992 Lawrence no commandos wo bring hen na azi nyina na ezechi ye ko fit no wo bring hen na ye nyom butuma atonyum ku bi a che obaye woni je wa ha ese Lawrence no commando fu wo bring hen na ye nwo ya sanaba wo bring hen na ye rekọ Ahumachina Yakoke fit, no bring him, because of the values and the principle are part in the Denizichrehan. but those principles and values are no more in MPP. And see, on a matter of principle, no, I can't go back to this party. My mom said at a compound house, at a busefie, that's a winzihonia, that's a neat person. You go out of the house. Now, out of the house, and that's a wapa there, ever back. All the was says, if you exactly. Me if you want to ask me, exactly now. I can't tell you. You don't know. Now, what says if you have me say what you are corner? I mean, if I corner bar. Now, we say if you want, I got your letter with conditions. If you know,
if you're Romanian, CC, and if you're, I mean, and if you're always let people mark out your party here, party. When we say regulations in there, no executive member of the party should openly support any candidate. National executives, what's in Homa, youth organizers who are executives of the party. And in fact, that was the last question I had wanted to ask Chairman Bute.
Yes,
what's before the line
organizers who are executives of the party. Wakoto nomination form for a candidate. Not that we endorse, no. Wakoto form as Aman. When your own regulation says that a party executive you are not supposed to openly support or a candidate. Let's aqua form. They kept quiet. I'm saying it's a party that does not believe in its own constitution. I can give you examples, several examples. I'll check the MPP. One constitution away now because one jinzi.
But why are they referring to the constitution subject to this letter? What they have to about?
Now, example. On suit one now. Say a MPP ni now call independent candidate as a MP. Let's arena. You are taking back. Even though there. Where you was you win what for back you lose our circle. Do you have consistency in the constitution? Constitution no so suit one no way now see I walk one super delegate here there was a tie also there was a second round out the what to back the constitution one case rules and regulations per the constitution and rules and regulations also what to abani bill no what's all national council war to until I mean this is a party. I'm telling you MPP we joined 1992 if only you want some when share baby that is why some of us cannot go back to this party.
All right, so thank you very much. I'm Roja Kwaba. Roja, good afternoon and welcome.
I wish you good afternoon.
Oh, weekend there to say.
Oh, about the other room.
Where you are boy, you are looking so handsome.
Yeah, me and I've been handsome from childhood. yeah.
Roja, Roja is a national communication team member for the NDC. Roger, before when I commenting on the issue, that's sticky. When him say last Friday, and finally, the party and the nation said goodbye to the fallen heroes, the 8 of them. What can you recount?
The American account the Friday in the say, which means the strategic movement and our steps are abino eteki. I mean the initiative by the President, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Abochi, mami fa kwenya so ntia His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Na me commending for a great work done. Na me sanso ntia na be the chair Professor Jane Nana Opokuajima. Na me ntia party phone penifoni na. Ena obi bia o aben mo odi na honde eboa aban no mana fa ntuma pa. Efra abuild the nation Ghana. Na me santia ye chairman General Mosquito Honorable Johnson Asedu Inketia. Na me ntia the our brothers. Na masa do fi asem do fi asem. Do fi asem ono party mu penifon ka ho. Party mu penifon ka ho. Me si aban penifoni na me tie omo. Mo party egu ye ka mo party egu asema mo ntiem kwante mo ndimo masa wona be bo di amame obokere di yes obo ba o miedi me say obo ba o miedi ana
so it's not meba I've been I've been following your back and forth. You are alleging say ono Obo Kennedy din wambo ono so Kennedy and to so who e say don't get here
the me dey say me say me tia obi bia wa abem me tia omuni na me sa so ba say me tia
president simple question
me tia president
who e say don't get here
me tia me e say don't get here me party chairman
but suffice but
head of government and I'm head of party. What does it? Mitia head of government. Me and I'm head of party. And I feel the vice president. No,
chief of staff.
President.
Chief of staff. Minister, I'll take you. Why can't I greet Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia? Honorable Judas Debra won't mean ka. Anu kwa won't mean.
Mami tell, me Judas Debra. O me father.
Teacher no get teacher no.
Enti am ka tell say, abemu pelifo me bo obiara din. Me say abemu pelifo.
But chief of staff dey ka o chia na.
Chia no keke.
Oh, me chia no, daddy. Ade. Yeah.
Me just wa no. Ya masra maje. We know it.
But Roger, you don't think it's a good call from the National Executive Committee of the party, that matter, National Council, via communique, the acting national chairman Smith Bute release, calling for 8 members to rejoin the party. You don't think it's a good call?
Abochi, where shenanigans? Minko Hansana, my main shenanigans. Just a tactics. Yes, sir, almost fragadam on Yamanibi. Whoa, settings, or we are desperate. They are desperate for power. It's not that they're forgiving the people. They are desperate for power. Because one, they are not going to Obo say, say, no, a British constitution, no, that's what through the mail. And I suspend your one. They should rather come and plead. Why? To be part. Aside that, no, almost so poor Mosaya and Famra Quines, no, you should be begging them, not asking them to come in. Join like that. Into the me who say, we a desperate political survival tactics. Aboji, MPP Subayo my exhibit, a desperate political tactics. Say, Omo pese, Omo brandi now they share. Omo de omo ba ebe use omo for dirty work. No me tell omo, ama abande omo. Because omo nim say the people do not buy into their ideology. Because omo say in confuna are rebelle. O say obi are rebelle against you. Na say, forgive the person. It's open. Why are you doing it? They are doing it out of fear for the fact that may lose 2028. It's almost omo adding up to the numbers. Giving amnesty out of fear. What principles ne follow? Mo party ne gu na say ye kan. Mo ko pe gum bi join this Sarfo na mo kwa. Mo ko pe gum bi join it and I say if we don't call cry ni hon mu on ko mo hia flag bearer. Until mo party gu no mo ko pe bi enjoy ni che say sa suban ya mo di dan edi na mo kasa ye sa wana na sa ni chi join ni. Ngoko be. MPP does not have any principle. They don't have Obia Momo constitution plan and boom that so. Ebiana, a can say no. What you want constitution say? No party executive should support any candidate. Now say Bimu Kwama yes support to. And I say Omo or that just word of mouth to confuse people. And people with their own kind Bible. This people.
All right, Muma into Chairman.
Nepa chane se yepe asumdwe wo party no yepe careers wo party no se be sabia situation na get party no ye sign rebuild the party because suspension na wo no too much me if central region the mamfa central region back one constituency and two na me fanya example
SOMPA FM
o ko so do which is Agona West almost suspending nipa 290 sa 290 no ya dwene mo no fi say back nipa back bia na dofo anini nua no ne ye tena elusu say na sa 10 for no so plan so enso kofo be wadwe so omo to abano in this year also continues no one wa mega kolusu 2028 to tema jake grant amnesty for 2013 and not in the general so much to me we are doing to be winning 2016 because here one of food didn't if you know the mission fisher on both from the amount of me to use casino on board because we are rebuilding the party and you know but we started freedom one number 2 yes one of the factors no now my report on so it me feature or says and go for the country with amnesty.
All right, so the chairman Butie can, but this is just an aspect. We'll be playing the full interview once again for your listenership right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. So, Roger, I want you to conclude on this, so we move to the next.
Me say, our internal party structures no broken. I might say chaff before they win. Baby, I'm from under bomb bia. No, omoko. Me say. Omo MPP internal party internal party structures no collapse broken no my say my say chaff before they win only my dear friend chaff before they win and from a bro tell and from no be bomb afa bibia omo you confused and desperate for power once anyway them confused them no know what to do them confused them no know what to do again. One more my emo. One more my emo. Sana two MPP party no. More confused basa. Nanka nya sema. Nanka amambo truka ni mu ni base mu ni focus. Na mo ba betra no mo akaka kase den. Se mo. Mama go for amnesty. Na amnesty mo ti ase. Group of lawyers are mo law school no e bia obu de on kan but na big case be no bet me win court charge and bail lawyers we charge and bail lawyers ngwa e na mo di bu party no mo juna no mo be ka kire say mo hwe party no mo nkoton na mo fa eyi no nko bie NGO mo be fair for what na bi enyina how topical ke won ka hu onka party no onye bibini me ba just mo ndi mbra so mo constitution wo me say masa me say mo constitution wo party no mo ndi mbra so mo si mo ngina no ho mo organizers youth organizers akoto form want me punish you mo so say me punish you mo abro nya tra ho we bu mu we disciplinary committee cry friend o ka say me mba mo to be nyane foko na ma betra say mama amnesty desperation for power and I am wota no but unim dia ebesi me say 2028 mo pa ye be ma mo chance mo fa vice president mo fa president vice president first vice second vice mo pa mo candidate na mo aspiring na mo na slot in the presidential na mo contest with about 4 vice mo still mo be less than 80%. What Maza una ye host nakasewi o pray o sa na mo pray mu wan na makoma amnesty without looking at the issues on the ground mu say mu fie wie ye o pray o makasa me de manuesi sa na mo pray mu wan amnesty am kokko rashe mu solve internal party eyi grassroots for no grassroots won edwa grassroots won omo akoma ye omo ya omo say the kind of politics na momo ye no na motutu mo niwe eye coca politics no a stomach direction nkokura no e capture yi na omo ntie grassroots ni su no na so omo say nyama nkoye no omo mpia munya hu bibia na abetena no maka joso wa mamo amnesty wasa ofie ejashi wo ofie wo say wo kwa pepenti abe penti dan no efie ni hye also ube penti sana ese
ba Roger sa analogy na wo dey kan ho dey there analogy na ka say
say abochi
so say fie ni
na fie si na we ndum jana ube penti dan no and misplaced priority MPP as a party omo misplaced priority
omo fie ni hye say efie ni hye na omo free fire service in bedum jana
fire service on my friend fire service we my friend painters fire service
Roger Roger what you are saying is not true.
It's true. I put it to you.
No, I also put it to you.
On what basis?
On the basis of the facts. I wouldn't say omufie ejadem tino oma friend ko foso medum jana.
Oma friend ko foso medum. When amnesty way and chese o ma friend of so o medu e painters o ma friend
me that's
MPP way nti right now no and mama no nyum bako ta nyum no say shut nyum o se bandana o say them confused so them no know what to do them confused so them no know what to do again Woman, my cabin no.
Why am I confusion?
One of you things fall apart. The legends.
Why am I?
MPP.
Me that's it. All right, so for God and country. There are some bank crying how Ghana. Yeah, Roger Pachowi. Roger se me mark fam kakra makasa. As well as one from
Roger there is my brother. So the style so no ano no. Obe ha nani na wa ye nneoma ni nyina bi. Na Roger can be say MPP are desperate for power. Yes, we are desperate for power.
Desperation see.
And so open the meaning of the word desperate is having a great need or desire for something.
Roger Tio, we are
having a great need and desire to come back to power 2028. 2028. 2028, but it's the same thing. You see, etina many abra obi to say, "Minya Ebu
Backman."
Yes, me here no. I me repeating. So you see, now can be say if you no monye na say nti obi free hwa. Na say won siesie hwa won timi mfa ne ma me ne ya adwen.
Messi me dan.
Roger, so I say otunyuma. But over kwe ampon ho na ampon na training.
Enti efie ne ebimo agitum say yanum binum agitum say emu afie nkura na ye mfrim na emom ye betinem asiesie. So one tinem asiesie obi wo pa America ko pe UK ko pe ha ko. Na nti sa wo obi na tena ne krom ye hoye. It within the MPP some of us ye betinem ni aye ni yie. Ni asa akofa ye nua ebonom bisa aba. You see, you've also called us ebonsu. No, so you're affected by this.
Oh, yeah, affected.
But what you some more can are ready to come back. And na Chairman Bute so can send be chair.
Chaso also be trinity.
Na Chaso baby. Chairman Bute can send be say. Matiane Bebre Mahu so enye easy to run for elections. It's not something Makobi paying primary scrum enye easy. Na me ne. No, so Baba Chairman Bute said so many letters are on his table as we speak. Omo person bampacho wankasa. Okay.
No, he said it.
Yes. One say what Bute na kan you. It's not. You see, so we are desperate for power because Sabre Ghana for nyina hwe animu say obi te say okuja to black on resign from the ministry or down no any government ni mu. Why? Because he stated say President Mahama buying a rented jetta at the two kwan or no obe resign.
But did he travel on a rented jet?
Oh, na say rented jet nye President Mahama kra. The vice president.
No, I'm asking you a question.
Vice President
because I have listened to the banter between Stan Dogbe and then what is his name, lawyer Vincent Asefua.
I am making a point.
That lawyer.
Some of these things.
Some of these things.
But
it's listen. He's off record. He's
off record.
You see,
I'm listening to the banter. But I'm asking you, did President Mahama?
I'm saying that
all Japan or you sue a private jet?
Me say.
I am asking you a question.
Yes, that's what I'm answering. Maybe point now there be some question or
travel on a private jet.
Point now there be some Monsieur Okuja to resign. I said this last week. Prime can be for home. I will Okuja to have president in 2 points. My basis here say you rented jet. I will Kroma. I will bring President Mahama by until I'm so on resigning. As he himself said. Now, Galam say issue as we speak. Are worsen than they came to meet it.
Okay, so you hold date
on that premises. No, we are desperate.
Okay, so
farmers in Susu said they are more catch on that basis. We are desperate.
Okay, so you hold it. I want to go on a quick break. When we return, where you are drifting the conversation to, I think the conversation would partly be centered on that, and then the on Fanko stretch of road. We are told that contractors are back on the road. This morning, I had the opportunity of traveling on that road. I didn't see any contractor there. So we'll be getting back to you very soon, right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. You're from a Kobla Abuchi. We are just going to be right back.
Hey, Medo, Edrano pa wutimi to boase. Echichiwusi o. Ado. Na so ni se me the yas toothpaste and then the brush and the twitwi mesima me nya homka. Sentina ye bokoi. Na me die me all-time favorite. Eye yas herbal toothpaste and then the brush. Abua me ama say menum nso a enwunu anasa de ehia. Me semfimfem me biem. Na wo hwasa me se aye fita sesrecha homa. Na eti brightens. Eye yas whitening toothpaste and then the brush and me di hwimese. Entina wo se efe. Na yas total care gel toothpaste and then the brush ne die. Ebo wo se ho ban. Demu ne nyina. Ema wo num ye sham. Oh yes. Enu kretrodo. Yas Herba, Yas Whitening, and the Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste, and then the brush. Abusian chamfa. Sa wo pedudu tu e won kan ha. For Leicester Ghana Limited, and was 050-161-9588. Leicester Ghana Limited, and the Yas Toothpaste mo ahodo, and then the brush abedwa so abeboye.
Techi manufui Electroland abeja near the munamuni amapani nyinanso abo we Thursday ya 10th April 2025 Raya showroom foforo na wo Kumasi Techi mankwane so
ye di Roma sorry dino anase backside ne di animhwe
Property wo Samsung TCL Media Nasco TV AC fridge gas cooker washing machine deep freezer home theater microwave blender kettle rice cooker any amapapa kan ho nyina na woni mbribi edi kan for back 50 ebenya 15% discount any achede it brabet adie kan ho na senya
Kweku minim sawaye she me kraman nane na so ebony show ho embaso
Mane Honsepeno. Ebony Condoms comes in different flavors and available in all pharmacies, chemical shops, over-the-counter shops, and pubs. For bulk purchases, contact 055-230-0075. Ebony Condoms, Ghana's most pleasurable condoms. Make it worth it.
We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate.
It only the view is a condom. The condom mulia then it's not on bottom.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bi a enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bi a 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540-311-311 0540-311-311 Next 21st clinic. Still, one more sciatica expert.
I was a very SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. Monday's edition. Remember, we'll be activating the lines at exactly 5-0260-1960-64-0260-1960-65. These are the numbers. You be to my friend. Like I say, Electroland Ghana Limited. Yeah, Radimina Minye. Sound system, Papa. Iron, Papa. TV papa, fridge papa, air condition papa, auto a chair bruta, Bisa Sarfo na no Sarfo kotobi. Hey! Na ma dia Sarfo kotoe. Rice cooker. Ha! Electroland Ghana Limited. Hey! Omo product no we very durable. Like I be say one more Nasco, or more media, Samsung and TCL product. Now, any just some say, okay, na koto there. Almost 15% discount. And which you know, yes, I watch the amana ye. So show be check one Techiman may catch up say Electroland. Our main Kumasi station. How many bucks or dining edition more? Kumasi or more Castle Junction, Tech Junction, and crying. One more dental barrier. Danchuman Runabout, industrial area. BNML Complex, they didn't share more. They have offices in Sinyani, Mankasim, Cape Coast, Takrady, and Tamale. Bombardina from 0245 949495 0245 949495. Time Herbal Mixture. Makacho say busianchenfo busianchenfa Safwe busianchenfo busianchenfa Safwe busianchenfo busianchenfa. Aha, time herbal mixture. Prophylaxis. It is good for the family. And China nyadiansa na enko pese wo benum time herbal mixture. Me patcho anopo sori anu abobi. Enyumre sori anu abobi. No ama oyere abobi. No ama oba abobi. No mo bia bubo bibisa. Ade afre ni yare mutu nkwanta mapai. Na mporo se wanya malaria. Wanya etidi yade. Anasa say hunam nyina ye oya aye boho a bomodern pa time herbal mixture will do your secret for you. Obi o ha ojinso obrepa edwana joso no so performance no niam na nhyeda nkoye me catch time herbal mixture aye busuanchemfa aye prophylaxis say you join this say you typhoid sampo opese bema ugina so ye now compare aye time HH mixture and then the capsules you know now the fra now boy hey edwa homache a o kania ne beso say cream edwa homache boy me say o kania ne beso say cream disco light e beso say cream sa so da kania no so a o ban say wife a na de da ho no na ni age no sere sa me pacho ni chire drugstore pharmacy shop bia da kope time herbal mixture open dudu mu a obeti bia 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 na saka bi o say phone bakwa bedwaban so Sarfo hey baby di Sarfo oh you guy too much wa said that bomodin akoto phone we bi e dia kokwa command ne ho kani na phone no hey say no enu na branch ni to e kura 3 mega cameras na cameras ni nyina yo ja phone way e sleek e stronger it sparks everywhere phone eto nsuomu ana wafa wade phone wonam nsuom na nsuobu na obefia ufa wade pepa ho ana wodi use phone be pacho say wodi cha picture quality no kama me pacho phone the storage the memory no eye gbagaya hey Sarfo kantanka be si phone way one mistake anu tina odo no aso no me pacho bomode na kopwe bie eye Techno Spark 40 series me pacho open the room 0303 980 205 and now you can go on their social media pages at Techno Mobile Ghana and on TikTok it's at Techno Ghana. Me pacho kai say I've told you phone way it is slimmer, it is stronger and it sparks everywhere. When you make one so asene Navy for God and country bro. There are other two sponsors but later on the show I'll be telling you who and what they do better live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. The is here. Now ye di and komobi. But before that, waiting for my serious and executive producer. Hey, I write to a brutal. See that right? We brutal international. We're highly connected. Now, like I said, mentioned Galamsey. So the fight against Galamsey now.
Yes. Na me ka say it here from President Mahama. Any other leading members of the NDC, try a choir on Befaso Astopum Galamsey, which you have all the videos here. Speaking about say, Uvuja do black crowd or say in Mekwa Kesie, Newmont near Demina, Yamo be mining. In opposition. That is correct, yes.
And it's on record.
Yes. You see?
No, wait.
Yes, in opposition, Okasa. Or see even the big and not even Galamsey Nkwan. Why we legal mining biano? Yama unyai answer. And I can say, oh, mining activities in so no. President Mahama and so support to that call. Say a bro man with the videos in Abemba. Na yabo said the mini ebisa and say evidence. And yes, I am from whom. Yabatramu baby. Good. Messenger Okujaton so dear among Sano Kai at an interview. Even President Mahama dear Ewaha. So palm the better as some President Mahama Kai. No, some President Mahama Krakow spoke
in a contest.
Who should I send it? Can your producer play it for us? I'll forward it to your producer right now. What Okujatu said and what President Mahama said. If you don't know, you don't know.
No, if you have the evidence.
Yes, I'm doing that right now.
We can.
Naso so enne edian yehunu. And some of my some of the Baba Yajumana, Anya Juma, and ne Galamsey for soon.
All right, so I've done my search, and this is what the search says. Based on the search, Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, a member of parliament, has stated that the government should halt all mining activities in Ghana.
Oh, you are. The method for fighting Galamsey, Opa President Muhammad Yobenya, or even the sitting. Your friend is saying,
and I believe me, there is a video transcript to even that effect.
Video, yes.
Sure.
All no video seen now because sure. I went to one of your sister stations with a spokesperson for the lands minister. Yes, I think
your friend, my lady.
No.
Kabori.
Kabori. Our husband. As one of say, evidence. We said the omuye bieni. It ma compiling na the President Mahama Kanye. Obey side the begu animu ase the Okudzeto kaye the sitting minerals minister ono so kaye nyina no ya compile e wo mo kire kwan ya mo be fa so mo ba ye mo nya afia twentwere mo bo afei na mo be ka se small scale miners no you see okra ba wo be hye mu kena wo why because prof we dey minimum say wo enya wo ene ebisa question but it is public knowledge say enne untimi nton gold o Ghana. Say Makoshi Obi na prof say or to gold, no to me gold. It's illegal.
But isn't that a good call for the country?
Good. It's illegal. But you have to sell. You have to. Oh please.
Isn't that a good call for the country?
I am building. So let me build. Let me. Oh please.
Roger, allow me, please.
You have to sell to the gold board.
Sure.
Me, I'm on record. Me, adia yana yo. I'm not a politician. Or the party create bibi na nya ontimi nka no gigi I don't do my politics like that. So MPP nya de na nya enye. So de koko a ye nananom nyina do ye wo koko board a ehwe so na Ghana nyina nya so mfa so no ade ne gold ye Ghana ye nya gold board na Ghana nyina nya so mfa so ade na enye. Aye adepa na so de na ekoso sesei. The only nipa ne kan no eno na wo ya na now o planting cocoa is not illegal but to Galamsey illegal. Sanity.
Wait.
Yes.
Also planting cocoa.
Any illegal.
Cocoa
farm.
Yes. Cocoa farm no. Does it destroy our environment and water bodies?
No.
Galamsey.
Yes.
Does it do
yes,
that?
That's why it's illegal. So if I am engaged in an illegal activity, nasa wo the process of my illegal activity, I know my minya film no wo ba beto sa no many film wa. So no, are you committed a crime or not? According to it's a criminal offense.
But the explanation given by the gold board says that come for license, go and mine, let's regulate. So it is true, where they buy their gold from, it is from Yamomo licenses. Say omunkonkoye mining.
Thank you.
Omuhona womuto eye gold nifi. And that is not Galamsey.
This analogy, no, say, Obi so our license to sell cars into a BBB friend garage and or the tone cars. Now so Obi ko yaka ebreno. If it's all license, license na maka na yako yaban enye clean. No, still a stolen car. You bet I was so no buy stolen items. You bet you be. It's the fact that one man for license or mongoto. No kokoto free galamsey ni wa. Not just say it's become legal for you to buy. It's what was one auto gold, and you know because what TV is to crack. I say omu gold no turn less price because galamsey for no. I am not me refining. That is Sami Jenfi. I'm making reference to Sami Jenfi. Galamsey for those and now there is a huge debate. The Galamseyers are saying near to you go 13,000 per say gram or whatever. Who buy who told me 8,000. That's what for 5,000 cities a kwakodi. Now some of the back kind of
kwakodi.
Son no more come say Galamsey for neka. Say no turn 13. Na me turn 13 no be turn 8 5 no e we that is because okay say obeton at the same price and the ma ye too ma ye nyina ka say ye the policy ni too now 13 o turn 8 o turn 8 ni ebisa ya wo say Galamsey for the dia no omo ntimi refine ye ntia na efin wom it is out on at the war but into himself so he knows that he's buying from the Galamseyers the illegality na ekoso no so now him for the promote illegality.
Okay, so question I want to ask you, sir. Yes. Activities of Gold Board, do you support?
Oh, I've said it here. Said ye cocoa nyina your cocoa board ni enya so mfaso no sa ni enya gold board na Ghana fo nyina so nya minerals no I support it
but your concern is that gold no mototono it's from the illegal Galamsey the illegal mine.
That is correct. Na say wo down ni ebisa ka tell say efi
it cannot be correct because you and I ye nim
asoma make an prof ntie me
baby o say wo say omo say fi wo
anya omo say there's
gold board or say fi wo
e wo dey him Galamsey for there no that is why you can't pay them 13,000 and then say you know please and this for me to na men kasa ma men kasa bi nia e ti am so bebe fie no
debi da
Ebo. The comment over no. So oye movement. So only party say.
They be on party.
Only party. Say I can only party.
But movement for change.
The Kasa no support government. They are not here.
Oh, so I actually support government.
Ever since I met him on this show, tell me on one single. What do you call Ekwanbra? Ekwanya na MPP ayen gidigidi NDC by stop. Who comment or be about it.
All right.
So Galamsey some na make na. NDC for be cross yen kum Galamsey yes no. Shoot and kill no. And any person shoot to first Sami Jenfi. If you say on no and ekoto mu gold. So if say yes ye chikokwa ye ni ne ma. Ye chikokwa ye ni ne ma say chikokwa ni ye ni ne ma dia. E dey na o ka say Galamsey ne nye. Na so ono ne dia no mekwa akoto.
Okay, so your 15 minutes is up. I'm membra. Uncle
This is I'm when I say and you will be free. What is to be NDC? Why you do? Why you do?
And some of the king, so become NDC.
Stop playing emotional tricks.
No. Prof, politics so obey there. Say in your tomb. Now you can do things anyhow. You can even destroy the economy. You can even steal from the country. You can loot the country. Let's say a cat no positioner. Let's say all that you say in there. Oh, until our two no man until you do the work. It becomes so cheap. Politics becomes so cheap there. When we are giving power, you can destroy the economy and go, knowing that 4 years time you can come back to power. That's exactly what MPP is doing. Considering no listen. Oh no, you see, I mean, I love Ghana more than any political party. And when I speak for Ghana. One lawyer name example. You see, let's call spade a spade. Dama road the other way.
Off Angkor.
Yes. It's a woman road the other way. Afri Exim Bank loan of $750 million MP for KJ. There was a route, including that road. Or the kind of ways you know that road should have been completed.
See the comments.
Oh!
So tell your party to go and arrest them.
No, Akaji loan.
Tell your party to go and arrest them. You are in power now.
Listen, Ebezia. You are in power now. Akaji Sikade Ezibeye rule. That's as a fofura.
You are in power now. So if there is something illegal, that's why you are in power.
No, I saw my son. Hey, lawyer. Listen, you should be the last person to talk about that road and blame the current government.
Leaving power, work was ongoing. Yes.
No. Per the money spent, into the road, into the way you did that down. And you are in power. 750. I'm not in power. I'm not in power.
Is NDC not in power?
Am I NDC? No, I'm NDC. Hey, you're a liar.
You see, the truth hurts. Everything you say is for NDC.
The truth hurts. So on that road, you don't have any more authority to condemn the government. Rather, we should appeal to the government there. And I'm not waiting to now. The government has paid the contractor some amount of money.
8 months.
The contractor is supposed to be on site. I'm told there the contractor has moved on site.
The contractor is not on site. I'm on the road right now.
So let's push.
I want us to take a listen to something. I believe it will be fruitful for the conversation.
Road.
Yes.
The loan was how much?
It was $750 million from Afriexim.
All for the road?
And it was supposed to be for that road, about 3-4 roads. That particular road, Kumasi, the former majority leader's constituency, Swami Runabout, and a number of them, I think about, and you are saying that is what you are using the money for, $750 million. Now, all these projects have not reached anywhere, but yet you finish the money. There's no money.
Road?
Yes.
The loan was how much?
It was $750 million from Afriexim.
All for the road?
And it was supposed to be for that road, about 3-4 roads. That particular road, Kumasi, the former majority leader's constituency, Swami Runabout, and a number of them, I think about, and you are saying that is what you are using the money for, $750 million. Now, all these projects have not reached anywhere, but yet you finish the money. There's no money.
Road?
Yes.
The loan was how much?
It was $750 million from Afriexim.
All for the road?
And it was supposed to be for that road, about 3-4 roads. That particular road, Kumasi, the former majority leader's constituency, Swami Runabout, and a number of them, I think about, and you are saying that is what you are using the money for, $750 million.
Okay, so zero. Honorable Ato Forsen, and it's in it. Why is Caro? Oh, my God, Mascano Swassa. Mascano, nobody. But what we are able to have. Mammy, we call Fanco horses here, quite also horses here, and we didn't come over here.
Anyone very close.
Oramoa, a deputy PRO for GPRTU. Yano Manaso. Oramoa, it's the same.
Then we have PROF Abotchie.
Bokoria. Last week we had a conversation which says Sakwano, Sir Abanum Penufo, Amambe Fexes Sakwanoa, a dear Moyeboye Yechre. Ajabiano never for Quano so, Mofa Quano so no contract another Quano so, or ye Jumana.
That's the prof, Manintia on the way. Yeah, I'm say I'm pay na union into it. The contractor for a pukuati amazon finance. Oh my shot to say Obopako Yezima. The Lumuna you about what Omun Conco said they are yet to do as in the prayer. We say none issue demand if you do a contractor and our start to say, oh yeah, you need to find a good trouble. Yet not just a deadline I admire a Dawada. Equada and the pepper and I just say, yeah, that a card here you are. It's a commercial card here you do our mind down. Now, and just Abraham, no, because you need a contract and for shots here all year, you know. No, in my idea as to either say, you're calling off the strike action and as you trust it. The intimate and then here to say, and we say, Ubo no much a dad in Yamadia for the horse, he said, I said, they are almost a question to master. And if you have a monitor and next any Jumane war, any baby airport, near improvements are Abba, and by the close of tomorrow, economy go down a father, and whom I now, and you're not you basically a decision. Say, yeah, call it strike action off. na so to aso because I'm speaking to you dear omo ayesu na omo ko here na mo contractor ko find so what aso here
mo bisa omo baby omo de adwuma na free na de na omo ye okwan no so. Did you find out because the contractors can represent but without doing any other work? What exactly? And reporters never catch them say that woman ye okwan no so.
Okay, the rule is one side, you know, almost say one side, you know, almost level one side, you know. Now, say the ania can now say, come on, more than so this my one side, the crowd, my near first one, no much near by the other side. And on the other side, you will say, almost the machines are kubutua, almost here, almost failing to do one side, not just almost here, almost.
All right, and you know. I don't know, copim a year a dawuko. Some who say a crop the John be no more yet, and no master some video crocodile. Some of the data more, and there's a yacht and the babasu.
Oh, Prof, and they are looking to do. Oh, now I may a margin say, if you crying, and I say, I'd have a form of Poquatin town question in Guana, almost call you on that strike. Have you a nationwide strike? Nationwide, and we see that I'm on. I'm buying a said we have access to years fine. No one who said they are driver for me, a passenger for at the sea almost show me our fine. And you know, you and I are bomb fire. We don't want to get there. It's one thing that we don't want to do. So we are praying there. We do a down to the name of the John Dina.
Oh, Rasamala, my nurses and Navy, when they didn't come. I'm from when India, the better from Biara. Muma Sumpa 106.5 FM for God and country. You ain't in the first. Why?
Yes,
yo, that's it. I was for PRO, national PRO for GPRQ, the deputy, and I bet it cheered out to say they didn't come on. Okay, I'm starting for AEO. Just 1 minute. Just one. Let's be fair. Okay,
we are happy. Say, Nippon go to Kasawaka, crocodile the jump. They don't have confidence in the government. You see, because they say Wednesday or Monday. And now yes, you can. You loan 750.
I think your time is over.
If what he's saying is true, see, but
I played for you. We are talking about this.
Strategies.
Allow me to speak. Lawyer Sebe.
Yes, sir. If I do force
lawyer,
just 30 seconds.
Lawyer.
If I do saying, Yakwaji's cano, and Yafan Yadman Nasa. Oh, Wabemu. Minye Bo Wabemu. What when you know Wabemu? No one see or more this can in simple.
Roger, please. Uncle Bomiti.
Let's put it on record.
Sure.
I'm never a member of NDC.
Sure.
Until let's put it on record.
Sure.
But I'm speaking the truth.
Sure.
No quart or your copay. Makada Wakaji 750 million Afri as in bank loan. Also was a road, no. But this ensure the way we road in the radar. Scanner road now, Wakaji scan that road no order 1 year. And that is a question I was saying, Bisa. And say, maybe, sir, Munkabot, on the Maka the master, if finance minister interview a boy or the same thing or something, okay. And I'm the information I'm at, and then I was watching television, but I was on television program. I was on GH1, One News. Now, we interview MC or the area.
Yeah.
Okay, there. Okay, put there within 3 or 4 weeks' time, you know, they should be able to finish it. Okay, now I listened to him. And see, on the basis of that, the make the contract accord. And it means that no cost 7 American. 2. On the issue of Galamsey is an important issue because of OC or Trian, at Rencham or Trian, and Ziwama, Galamsey a very, very important issue. Once again, Makada Mountain Cheddar Mitchell Party be an amount party. The cost I mean, they say MPP ban. So Galamsey no say, Oye no many ye. No, one way the floodgate of Galamsey am a party who be one today. A Nankasana regional chairman of Ashanti region, won to me na nkofo
yeah boy NDC for so
Bobby
me allow him
Mrs. MPP for galamsey no who sob no way ho adwuma so wo ye adwuma no ye pa ncha abane be ncha with a little effort no ncha betumi I succeed but because of we genzema gum there obey free for all nkofo pi was like we Senegal am say no mu no onno ma edwuma na ba yezen na nso abani nankasa ne bo ohye the obobe oze and some about akwem na we galam say if you no we need to also hold the government responsible and the government has shown there one watch there they are prepared to do something but I heard something from Okujeta Black there what's the cabinet meeting or cry no the president Oka say me there they are going to fight Galamsey like that before and I believe there the statement now Okujeta Black say anything at all we are going to hold the government responsible on the basis of that statement because also a cabinet meeting decision will take it.
Oh, Okujato said that?
Yes. And all of us are expecting the government to do that because mostly
but over the weekend some people were even shot over this Galamsey issue and then the Galamseyers had opened fire on the soldiers and then they had to retaliate. No. I don't know whether you came across that news.
No, but I'm saying a police through confrontation between the police and the Galamseyers, in a certain community. Now, at the same time, young man in the video, the police in Yana, who said but the point I'm making.
Okay, so the confrontation you are talking about, let's my for Inti. Why? I'll let you land.
SOMPA FM.
Okay, so this is one of the encounters between Asuja Fone Galamsey. Yeah,
Galamsey issue. Let me give you a picture so that it will be a very serious issue. Besia, my cousin be Takwa area ho. Na nanyanko nurse ni bi onyinsane owoba after 9 months of pregnancy. Owo no na bad certain part of anybody on you and science and painful doctors na if you attribute to the or them in Drubon now what they are saying no be effect and you one area pe nancy one professor be obeken effect galamsey onya won yankasa even yen liver any yen nzaman yen nzaman bi o nancy ya television station bi call etiwa okato broze no wutu banche na oje call lab okwe no what say mercury no any cyanide our wadam is no it's not good for human consumption now actually say yan hwe ne yi na say magalamsey okoda nya na ekuku yan ho nti galamsey asem no yenyu brisam nti ma yakanye de abana otwem no feli na do na no ejuma potrodo no nya nkesi hwe odu baby mpo no define galamsey your friend then untumi ya galamsey even though every report be actually there no galamsey nti say onu we fairness abani aba na say yes we need to hold this government responsible for nzema okada obeye but to say is there 8 months this government has failed. This government has shown commitment except that no some of the things okada obeye no will repeal LI 2462. Some of us have been on the government's neck there. Them okada will be repealed on repeal. I'm on record. If
you have even said it.
Yeah. Say on repeal. Na wonto on mo bi na won sensama but NPP to say there our absence the easiest way to say there and into what to abet until you solve it. So you can destroy, go and sit back and throw stones there, you solve it. That makes governance cheap. Anybody at all can come to government, destroy things, loot the country, destroy our economy. Then when you are sacked, then I begin to throw stones there. You said you would do this, so solve it. Yes, the government promised. Allow the citizens. Attack government in ABC. Now you are rather complaining there, abandoning ultra and monorian. So you cry lawyer, you cry. See, let's love this country more than political parties. I'm saying that in the Sebi, so you could say there's no political party in Ghana. There won't be any one political party in Ghana, but Ghana will be Ghana. So let's love this country and so party say it.
Oh. Simple.
That's how to go.
What I'm saying.
When your party was doing wrong, did you say it? I don't have the moral right to even talk. Abochi, it's my turn.
Roger.
Yeah, Abochi.
I'm coming to you. But there was a search here I also did. Francis Asensubuachi. Also saying that setting the record straight. The claim by Finance Minister Honorable Dr. Atufalson that Akufo-Addo administration took loans for the Ofankor Nsawam Road and Swami interchange, but used the funds on other things is false and misleading. The $750 million Afri Exim Bank facility secured under President Akufo-Addo was not for one or two projects. It was a multi-purpose infrastructural facility, transparently approved by Parliament and structured to support critical national road projects across the country, including Ofankor and Nsawam Road, Swami Interchange, Flower Pot Interchange, dualization of School Junction to Motorway Boteman, bypass on Accra Kumasi Road, Osino Enyinem, Enyirese and Konongo. The financing was pragmatic, structured to complement Government of Ghana counterpart funding, and disbursed in phases according to clearly defined project milestones. It is disingenuous for the current government to twist facts in a bid to score cheap political points rather than focusing on the agent task of completing these transformative projects in the national interest. Let's speak to facts. Let's be truthful to Ghanaians. And this is a statement coming from Francis Asensubuachi. All right, okay.
Francis,
former roads minister.
Lawyer, you are being a hypocrite.
Oh no, but no, please.
Wait.
No.
I withdraw.
No.
But what I'm trying to say is that
that kind of Roger, listen to me. No, yeah. It's everywhere. It's across the country.
I know.
Yeah. But that's how they are.
That's why I told you I have to withdraw.
Apologize.
I apologize, lawyer.
All right. So
he doesn't have a choice. He's my brother. Asensu now. Tama road minister Ebeka say almost constructed 13,600 kilometers of road from Hasay to China. I came from China about Russia, from Russia to Ouaga. 13,600 kilometers of road. It's no joke. Almost constructed. Road need dahin. Asensu ba here na obe rebutting that statement, obe refutes that statement. Or say drip machine or modify inform kwan kra o constructing road. Sana Asensu kan. Or say omo fili potholes, patchy potholes no. Sa ena Asensu e kan say potholes ya patchy potholes who can na see nia 13,600 kilometers of road. Wait. Na se mutumi nya the moral locus se mutumi betna kasafidie so e kasa enunum ho sere se miye na yede yi Kumasi road eno no e da waga Skena Mukwati and get me construct of and call or no say.
Oh, but they did part of that road.
Did part, where is it?
Oh, but from Sawam.
The money, no, Saskano, 700, ever see high rising building more than 70 pieces. So, only Saskano, only normal roads ever constructed.
How, by what? No, wait. By what means do you know that $750 million now omkoji from Exim Bank? I bet you see how many.
Oh, but say, me abrochi no Yakobi sebi fafrache anayesa na ekano Yakobi yehu projects ah utumi hu bibi no
what na evaluation Roger
property e abrochi na abone sika akire wa
meba are you saying this in estimation?
Yes.
Or you are estimating?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
They're granted.
And you know, the Americans say they could have achieved far more and better, even if that money was truly used. They constructed the road in their pocket. MPP government constructed the roads in Ghana into their pocket.
But you don't have any evidence to prove that?
That is, almost say who to me, some road contracts, or GG was Shanty Regina, one constructed road, no, I didn't scan anyway.
But your finance minister, Atufos, and it's on record to have said that the money was for the route.
Yes.
But they used it for other projects.
They are saying they use it for.
No. That's what
they are saying. Almost say, almost the road.
So meaning,
when you never said, I'm put it to you. Or they are put it to you. Man, I know, and that was our roadway. Now come construct here and you so they should show us where is the 13,500, 600 kilometers of road. Tell me, maybe that.
You were also in power.
What?
You were also in power from 2008.
We constructed over 4,000 kilometers of road. They were there. They were in existence. We constructed. It was there. 13,000 is not joke. Omanga to buy 5,000 road. Omanga say, we 10,000 because 3,000 way. Omanga. They say MPP constructed the road into their pockets. Write it somewhere. Go and tell your people. I said
you don't. Listen, Roger. Yeah. You don't have evidence.
I have evidence.
You don't know.
I have evidence.
Those
and
monies,
I say it on authority.
No, please.
Abochi.
No, please.
Abochi.
No. I want to say it.
Accra Kumasi how many kilometers? Accra Kumasi.
I don't know. Tell me.
You have paper ni pen into all the money na ma Accra Kumasi 1,000 kilometers. Ma Accra Kumasi which is less than 500 kilometers. So ma Accra Kumasi 1,000 kilometers. Na TV 13,000. Na ya Accra Volta region. Na ya Accra Central region. Na kikasi ni 13,000. Ngofo ya bokroi ama mambo trukan.
But only say roads now omuka say omo 13,000 kilometers of roads, you know. It includes patching of potholes.
And I mean
feeder roads.
Oh, Iradi Nyankopon.
And
we
other
ya mama collapse at also. Patch. Only kika patch esi enia. From Accra to Kumasi, patch no be 13 kilometers. 13,000 kilometers. And you don't need. I don't need any help. But aside that, my main touch on guarantee issue now. Obey who pam.
Obey who dey?
Pam.
Accra to Kumasi is 250 kilometers.
And I'm say
you are falling for this. You see why?
Oh, I said Accra to Kumasi.
No, he's just giving us an information.
He's giving.
Everybody knows Accra to Kumasi 250.
But no, he said
even if it's 1,000.
Then I'm saying 250.
You see, you're supporting the NDC.
So when he's speaking the truth, you don't want the truth. You see, you don't want the truth.
No, people are listening. No, people are listening.
People are listening.
And he said even about 1,000. And we need to set the record. So it is 250 kilometers.
Yes,
but so what have I done wrong here?
Ask a question.
What have I done wrong here?
It's not your turn. Let me speak. When I finish, you come in.
All right, okay, Bepacho. David. My imu in every. Nyabutre. So Nyabutre. Okay. All right, me too.
So now the Galamsey issue.
Is it a strategy now?
Galamsey now, you can't want to say, MPP4 do not have any moral locus to come and talk about Galamsey. Uniman Kotia. Unim. Check the 8 years of Akufo-Addo. The 8 years of the reign of Nebuchadnezzar. Akufo-Addo. The third most important item into the country. Mathieu Fontier. Data na me man.
All right. Okay. Me bacho. Let me add some explanation to the distance between Accra and Kumasi.
Okay.
Yeah. And it's done in 6 hours, 3 minutes. 250 kilometers via N6.
Yeah.
But when you are using the N4 and then the N6, it is 272.2 kilometers.
Okay.
So you know the N4 route.
Yeah, all of them, they no construct and forget them. See, Abochi, their main can say MPP for
on the Galamsey
on record. Road construction, they constructed the road into their pockets.
That one I will not buy it.
You don't have a choice. And I put it to you.
And I take it that we Sompa FM.
Yes.
We Sompa. Listen. No, listen. We Sompa FM.
So where the
listen.
Where the road is?
Oh, Yabutro. Roja. Mamenkasa. We Sompa FM. We don't have any evidence that those monies were. Listen.
I said the roads.
The roads were contracted into their pocket. We don't have any evidence. We disassociate ourselves from that.
I mean, I associate myself.
Okay, that's fine. But I want to say that this conversation we are having, it is to shape the national discourse.
Absolutely.
And also to make sure that Ghana as a country moves forward.
Absolutely.
And now you are saying, sir, roads were constructed into their pockets.
Yes.
You are in government.
Yeah.
Are you chasing those people who were responsible for the construction of the roads, as you have alleged that the roads are in the pockets, so that you go and take the roads from the pockets?
I said it on different platforms.
Are you doing that?
Yes, that's what I'm saying. I said it on different platforms. Every member of the MPP of the previous government who have chopped a kobo, he will pay that dime with every pound of his flesh. I'm telling you.
That say a pound of flesh. How do you say?
Now,
David, what does it mean?
You know, your friend is maybe in me body. Now, I'm a teacher. They say, "Okay, Abochi, MPP for no, Omo mambo truka. You pino, usai nyumbi abu akontiba. Obenia ye kesi na wadani ya pontreni. Omo, you pino ne hu omo say abu akontiba. See, abu ya pontreni. Omo bo mind from straight condemned to grave. Whoa. Now back to the issue of the Galamsey. Me say ebe the Galamsey a eni so mo tuo omanu tuo oni so mo bi omanu omo ni so ade fere ade enhwi because the third most important item during Akufo-Addo's 8 years excavator. The third most important say ye kra emo, ye kra chicken, ye kra nwa, ye kra eyi nyama ni na ye kra ba Ghana mu no. The third most important item about Ghana during Akufo-Addo's reign excavator. Now, after election 7th December, between 9th December to 7th January, Omo issue 187 licenses to mine in forest reserves. 187, of which I revoked 187. No. Now my report. Oh, Master, when you were talking, I was quiet.
You asked me for.
You are a liar. You are counsel.
You asked
so
me for the evidence.
it is go. It's a public knowledge. It's a public knowledge. 187 licenses. Where is it? Unimadia. Omoye. Omo say I say ye. Mo say yenko Galamsey. Ye kagu mu me na hwese be ya. Enti omo kagu asay na ma hwese. Ye bet me affect economy na affect Galamsey issues now. But yamia onye left-handed. The way me left-handed. Me pa say
Uncle, me ankasa also me left-handed.
Me also me left-handed. Me also me left-handed. Yamia onye letani.
Oh, it's not good.
Oh, Master. Oh yeah. Are you saying? I don't know. A literal. I don't know how far to try literal today. Hey, lawyer. Hit kakwe.
All right. So meba. Excavators were the third most imported item into Ghana during President Akufo-Addo's government, specifically in 2023 and 2024. In 2024, the value of the imported excavators reached 6.2 billion Ghana cedis.
$1 billion and Ghana cedis.
Ghana cedis.
Okay.
This suggests a significant demand for these machines, potentially driven
by construction, mining, or infrastructural projects.
Wait. Excavators, I'm not constructing road. Wait, master. I'm going to say the most important. I'm going to say, and the third. Oh, wait. Yeah, no. They were saying no.
But so you're not landing, man.
Wait.
No, but you're not landing.
Oh, master, you come na casa.
Okay, so land for me.
Yes, and I'm mechanic. Almost a car in a goom. As I tell you, yeah, by no. As at now, 1,200 excavators were put on. Omo krani na during MPP time, and no can estimation we who 1,200 ebe do year after they handed over. Na ke ba do year ansana omo hand over omo kra year ansana omo ko. Tactics behaviors no. Now, ye dey share to come say ye be carry galamsey issues no. Almost a journey of 1,000 miles no e beginning with the first step. Yen president ama directive said DVLA and license excavators ni na. Na yes anfa trackers dey and bo and tracking omu operations you see ultra modern control room any monitor the movement of this tractors we na so that they ever find omu closer to water bodies omu sense you know we will call those people to book and deal with them. Aside that no won't say a TV ever water guard blue water guard omu no me whistle blowers one tip of for. Those are the people who have information. Now say, okay, say, aban we enye inviting galamsey. Then, say no because a certain president under MPP, Akufo-Addo, signing a some go to galamsey or forest reserve mu. Me boa, on can say me boa, and I also pay evidence. Boom, ye tena say no ye ho ensere sao. Omo time no, Professor Frimpong Boateng, report. Research ediba out na indict omo party leaders and government appointees. What happened? The president did not take any stand say report now they are by meba why are there na man engina so na penalize nkofo but prof na kasa omo de ne fa enkwan bi so etete no what you say omo ye galamsey ni kura na yesa bomb abaso
yenesi former
and they betina aka say MPP for ni here I said boachi bidi no
may I say SOMPA 106.5 FM but my Elizabeth just a quick me I'll give you the opportunity but let's go on the lines and speak to my colleagues. I cherish them a lot. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, because I want to say. Akafia-phobia Katabanto etio.
Yedika ma membo abaso. For akonya kesiensia incoming flag bearer. MPP for MP Ubia. Omwadie. Ubia owa mudrasie. Owa tema. Okasa amanfo tie ni kasa daboko. Eno ane Dr. Ran Echampo. Ono friwa Jessica Dia maintain. Safia Muhammad, my organizer, and General Secretary can come with you. Prof. Now more can be far. The acting chairman is a Confubia. You suspend on Nomina almost Samra. Now, me person me catch a Bobakman. Say, we the knee and can a minimum. Also,
baby, Agavia.
Yes,
na oye MPP this year eno free mo eno akojo yi na say tie mu national chairman say omo mbra back na wo de o ka kire no obere no aba
onu ko ye hiano bio because what you say mo kan also no MPP party no onu ko anya dia obeba na obi mbepa me MPP ampa me show man to let o enti say wo he na say this ne bobo anu akwa fine people you want them cassette and then about to a motor car and who ever would you mean can only a boy was my yakai now a bemusai. Some people mine. Then you sound that after almost saying, MPP more, and then Yamiam. Okay, you want to buy.
Agavia Beras, obligatory. Yes. Me too.
The American said MPP for.
Yeah.
You better you want them. This is 2028. Your mama memory to what to find. Obia ye muka. What meant to find?
Now Agavia was also Agavia Beras pass by. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Me va to wana me no kasi.
Otininka akafia mini akafia ba na jazeri na bedi akire orubon kwati gwate live from Kantamanto market.
Me va to jabutra baby. Mo beti me afre 0260 196064 0260 196065. Yetiu. Ako wenim.
Yo majira to am I telephone number there ma me brand me medium. Me pa cha obatampa kumten. Oba woman organizer wachitim kura okọ David Kankan Wadu national chairman okokura ononyam for bra champon asa aka ko orobon amia so a ko cha no na di ni botom sikaye ono na MPP fo ekutu frank adina ba we no de kenken kwa engosi aga bra champon no na eko opani minua kesrawo o MPP ni no afiri mu na o san ba ye di na bra na ta obatra bo na cha to ayi Abua papa ke so de ya mpere ma onye sa ye din na bra na MPP na beboa wo ba bi a wo ko nya de beboa wo me nua no ma NDC fo no me de me trust din galamse amusu bu betu ate na de ayi mon pa de fo na etu galamse mon pa de fo ayi no tafi ya mi no mu na etu galamse me te se me papa ma se ye ndjom ye wi ko si tan papa o tu galamse a chire tu mie hu so chire tu ana ge ya wa se o ku je top rock ka ne Sam George Akufado fans almost among preda amna e kronkron
na sasa nkomo ye
matwan me dika to ne say amoko abrochira America conference obi a ojitum ojigetum na onyintum asmadan mumumi ndingasa na jaso ojitum manim guase manim guase
Medase pass over. Me va so bet be afre 0260 196064 0260 196065. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello, Bacho Jinaso.
Yo.
Me Bacho wana menene kasi.
Midiani free from Katafri Kantaman. Munya Jumapa oye.
Yo.
I'm in charge of Tablet Champo. Me de kakra mbeka metane se uniano a otiwono mono. Se obesamba tedi owrebo kai no. Onye di no nsamra part me hia dodo hia kabomu. Edi so okọ na safo no adwun so obesamba. Nemu onye no ujanti o washa kwatekwata de esreno a bomra no mekan na ye 2020 na ndisi ke ba ye ne bi abedi Ghana push am papa wa o ke popasi amasama kwa ifa ni ura mahama sadi ke ha train wodi high train wodi high jet tutu to akwa and some mo ka che kufa na mda say ye ni play kra na so tu pa na mga
me rase pass over ma me fa kola. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, Prof.
Yeah, Bacho wani.
We ya unia Felix Bella hinkwa, yilo krobo.
Yeah, Felix, what you saying?
Nyami adom bidia bokoro.
Okay, Felix, here to you.
Mijidi sa munyi na nso mo ye.
God is good, it's well with our souls.
Mami cha MPP ni na wo no, nyami sha no nyajuma pa obo.
Na ndisi ni de wancha no.
Ose.
Na wancha ndisi ni no.
Ose chia so be chia obi de nya force. The mi pen na machiano no. Ntino ye fa nsa.
Felix Bell boku ye go.
Yeda NPP 24 ase. Pa se asema maybe honorable Kennedy complex ho hinya jepo kan ye no. Se ebeya anka wo mu a obufuri party ni mu nyina na se ya suspend wo mu nyina no. Ye fa wo mu mra no. Ye ma wo mu amnesty no. E 24 agi atum ama enne wo mu de aye adwuma. Yeda 24 na se. We kire se honorable Ken extra si here no. Ohun se ye di dom
SOMPA FM.
Ye di dom enne ye adwuma. Enti no there was say obi a wo be bibia no ye mfa na mra. wait till I say the honorable can be anymore 2028 you're ready for him now I do maybe not a union and this is forecast I say not to dunk for that so many now I'm sorry you will come Mahama the first president of the year you come to film say you could be near our February for so many film every Somalia you come to say the Coco bicycle car so see a bicycle car and then I'm a president 5 years
yo me that say
you will come and I knew I'm a teacher for years do for 3 years you can just 3 months and then I'm a president
me that say pass over you so hello good evening but you didn't baby okasa free Isaac but you okasa free Isaac me but you okasa free kaswa me but you no ama no so kakra wa etim
okay when the problem the war on more motive they are to talk today I am here mamu guarantee on peut over there how many years no more the stop complain no solution lack of knowledge my people perish lack of knowledge if I'm call pan at home they be over there complain computer man one man whether fix it and stop complaining you don't know anything Galamsey stop no how many months I'm better with the stop the easiest way I'm going to be wait for a year best you know just for best you want to start with the Congo so we can stop Galamsey you know when you did your two times so when you come and sit there you blame fix it and stop complaining. We are not making enough.
Okay, maybe I think your point has well been made. Would you want to say a big thank you for coming? Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello. What's up, mini about which line? So, hello, good evening. Aye, okay. Hello. Yeah, good evening. But Udini baby, how can I free? Yeah, who ya pa? How can I free? Oh, okay. But yet why? Hello. Oh. I don't know. Maybe I say about your fan will be so. All right, it's also better to be a friend. Let's see. There's another caller here. You know, Ebedi and Komo. Hello, good evening. If I told you, baby, I can free. Okay. But also can free. Kaswa, okay, Kaswa. I feel them.
Also, they need the Abochi Meboa. Abochi Mpacho,
now, one of the assets, I say,
Damfo.
Medassia, Madame Fampa.
Not a Sieno.
That's a part of the
Mr. Nokre after I make a free Kaswa. And therefore, my MP to keep you contain any trouble about the boom. Get none of the beginner. Property, Mamencha will do my phone. I'm in charge of Shamai.
Medas
degree. And on Abua Kuga.
Medas.
The will be a best excellency gentleman, Mamma on cow.
All right.
Mepacho. Pocracy Amasaman route. Contractor, ye the man, no. On my penny and no kufa needing penny for 8 me, 8 cabi, 8 chimney, move 50% to pay crampo the my contractor. No. The man, Mamma buy and water stop on Anna. Contract of the my year bay 2002. Our year much is so maybe 2004. That's in there. My contractor no 1 city for 8 good years.
Aquina was with 11,000 kilometers, no. And what him for? And now one minister of Roswa, a come about 21 billion Ghana cedi. And you're quite now, my Chelsea cut down over 21 billion, or Chelsea can do my contract. And then we look at the contract issue, say in Chiamoka, and you always have the Cado Donna Mocano, how much you had in my wine. And you are then on TV. Open you can say, you walk on train and so papa. And you may call you, me a show to set on the money Mahama buying. Pocrasa Masama Road, obey ye, Castle Road, obey ye. Sana quite dear Pansam, not so much your beer or Pessoy, obey ye, Namagana for Yahoo, Yaquania Bano, at Yada, I'm a Bibiaco Yamaye. If you answer any one before, get the normal and almost one couple and no kufu. The plan are not the final. And so, your final, and can you put our challenge with you?
Maybe that's a pass of Benjamin. So, hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, I remember one minute. Cassie.
A police battle, you done it, Castle.
Ah, Castle, it's you, Yanko.
A police battle,
me who ya pa? Amen, oh, amen.
Yes, I will Bangasa. Where did this President Mahama? You talk about man. I said, Bram game over catching. I say, I'll be a coward. Come on, catch a president is on the one. Bram game, I put one in it, and that's what about 2 different. And who you do about? And you can over Anna, and I am here to listen. And yeah, I get to listen. I quite what the down time. I come with them. I put one in the hill and one bottle of Papa. Oh, not true. I can't wait to my done. Papa, and then
yeah. I think that was so Benjamin. Yamisha, why? Okay. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Opening Pacho, Ajumati saying.
Ajumamu, Pachoana Menecase.
Pacho Parini.
Who can say free?
Body assay.
Body assay, okay, yeah, that's
I'm in chair, Chairman, or Body, and check to Ashama. Opening, share, oh my God, for Yanyakum. I am Yazadi, and Trudia, oh my God, and Kosu. And penny for a Basumo MPP, and MPP for you will be near ye, and only in it, on brow, on break, and only Doctor, they say, I'm a good be. One small my God, I am pitiful. And then you can have also at the Kennedy, and then one young MPP. As you can see, what they say at the Kennedy, Sabi, you Chelsea can't hear what Muramuno. And she said, I'm away, that's MPP for you, I'm back to the cross, you see. Now you have your best friend. Omunyanya tu na ya bari amampe na lekuwado ayina keka kwa kama chama wani tona kuma so ano foso atakai amawapa awo goga ai wani fe domu awo luko ye luko mo kwa afi atumpa de edi ko si kede try papa na ye me jo road na ka waso no enu mo wujalo ba
yo mama me no se paso by right. Maybe that's it. Let me speak to this caller. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me pass on whining.
If I'm Richard, because I'm free. Accra Central.
Yeah, boy, Richard, Accra Central. But with you.
Yo, I'm in chair, Dr. Brand, Champo. Oh, Pepper say, Obi to Frank, I'm MPP. Never get power free and this system. When we have a casa course here, was here to be a boss. Lawrence, our NDC party by him, and then either way. I look to Jacob, and then a dear 90 campaign. Now, what I can say, will be to be a boss. Or the point any be one to memo pay. You only have a commercial, so hello.
That's on its own, Kappa.
I have a munya did in our normal year. What him say? Yes, Nanado or near and near money, and a Ghana will be say, won't call New Ramahama, you Ramahama say, what be between, what treachery was sheer the mistake or correcting the mistake in it will take our correction on any position. No, I said, yeah, Jetty and Nana Nekufado, a hino, or Bino, I was doing what she knew, and was at a high jet in it below. Our no Granny's price, a Qualimucha Kufado, dear. A one way, I'm telling you, mother, what can I say, why you can't opinion, and Nana Nekufado, what I will catch a gun of when I say, Nana Kufado, what came on water, and let it surely, when you're the day, a Kufado, and I guess or your wife. All right.
I think you have found
yeah, share you Ramahama say, Amasama was so operating mistake here. 1 year within 2026. I'm going to say 2026. I mean, the friends say, I don't call you, Night Mahama, yeah, Bahama, the best out to a bit.
Medase, Pastor Benjamin. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Uncle.
Me paso wana me ne kasi.
We Ira Opiana Kofina Kofi e Kaswa Bobikuma.
Me da say. What am I patrolling you?
Uncle. My name is say for now or no, me tell bia.
Yeah.
Not me demo program na obi ka there. O man penyi mama wo to kwan. Na oye yini wi e na wo to kwan na o ka bibi ka di para ka sai ala amewa.
Wankasaye.
Oh, metiachi uze di yatiachi team program. Asama be on no kana ya no kono kana.
Sir.
Because akan for oye yiwia. Monday no yebuka wo. Na yebuka wo no ya yo man eye kakaka wo ya. Den na eja otupan.
Ajiro we no nedda no. Na e wo say ajiro o be so che say e man panyin we ni amamre so ho.
I think that
I think so what make you point, you know. Yamin sure so by you maybe so. Medase. For
your mama okay there and then I want to Galamse Nano. I don't know. Now don't need the president in this is no. And the opposition the answer no your mama or Buana. And can consider.
All right, me I say Obiso online echi. Oh, yes now on so gina so ache. Me that say pass over. Hello, good evening. Yes, I'm Majawana Menene Kasi.
Unia evangelist what is written.
Hey, what is written is written. Evangelist Nabokore.
Chama, me to voice and baby ewu.
What me voice and baby ewu?
Chama, me musa asam kakero. Chama, we eweni won.
Me eweni.
Me permatem when you say wiki me call pando. Chama, me nkan tenti mu ye nipa wate.
Me das.
Mu ye nipa pa. Me permatem da nam mo man ti me permatem pa na de go ni me ndane de. Tablo sokra we dey say be din komo.
Mate what is written is written.
Mama kra nga me yakapando. Baba ni bibi.
Me ri mo jisoka.
O ma panyini onye busu ni akwatena eye kaso. Se eye kadu ho a busu afo na tena se. Nipa na o se ma panyini oni mama mre na o ma panyini na o cheka no ono no o cheka mani ye say. Asa mo ti bi ranga na fo je tin na bia se o. Abusu afo na edu o ma ye ni wo ho. Iso o ma panyini o mani nyina de o wie o mani nyina de de aka na busu afo betena se. Na bi o ma ye no so ma panyini ko ye ka e ba e ni faso e ba e. Eti ma panyini odi tuma bi adi so o wie we ya won san tra so go buka se e ka e ba we hu ni nipa eti no onko yo obi abusu me ka e ba e ni ska mu nya ye. Minia.
Na obisu ka se ebusu apanyin a o eyi yo we ase ye man panyin mama.
Me pa chaw minia be mai. Se ye hwe ade no a esi no a wo yo mani nyina eti ma panyin wo yo mani nyina ebusu an sanga the rare family ni wo ho. Omo na etati wo ho a on be kan wasem. What you say? It ma panyin no onya ba ko for man panyin.
What is written is written. Medase. Papa. I'm going to call away. Hello. Good evening.
Hello.
Yes, I'm Pastor Juan. I'm in the Kasi.
Good evening, Jacob Madina.
Jacob Madina. What am I patrolling you?
You're funny. Another me first. I'm about to Mujuma.
Sure.
Yami Jamo.
Amen. Amen.
Papa ni Papa Joe and this chorus na Aaron Babakazano. This and this ba I didn't know manya frimu. Maka sa defend and this ya what was it Capra Yamamo? Mukusu defend it. Papa ni Masma American say. You will Kromoha. Ana Mampani that I say. Oba obetuka ta se shase obetuka la mse ya se gay obekam kura Papa Joe gay what you welcome. Ayi no. Papa Joe galam say what you welcome. Papa Joe adadano di bedi ayi akojano. And this adadano. Onwe no nyejuma. And then me say announce say and the dia maso. And the dia maso. That is amend this oboa. And this amend dia so amend akufu adu ta na 85. And then 1.2 1.3. Obi obakasi ati bibia to be oboa. And then news from it here. Omo na so say amount for the two money maso. Came out of family ma una ba come to this. Yeah. Adada go on pass of the data. Eh yes ma. Mother, and man ma fa. Say me pa na me.
I tell you the make a chore you know say Sompa Yaba and crying. Eti ewia 2:30 to 5:30 for God and country. Ayeti why? Da we nyansem bebre. Medase. Sabre dey afraid see here for frame be abu. But one friend dey mpato jai. Ya da mwase some boy. Enche yes sorry. Obiao simenum. Mami fanse. Me va to call we Gina Swatch. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Minua.
Me va to Paul Casafree.
You can say St. John's.
Apam dada.
Wow, so me chiao pa.
Medase. Medase.
That me can say.
Yeah.
MPP yenene me na me MPP yi. Why? Yes pa. So Mahama obai iron rod kwa me to iron rod 96 9,600 to say 69 me Mahama mamuo ana me dwa me nim say de no obu no man tantan but why ya me bona baso so me ti yen tama yen wo so no yanti petrol so yanti iron rod so cement o mate so kakra o mate niam nyina so yetimite so na ka yete so anka ye lusu sei mante so na mama ye ho akire am ye lusu poto e ka kire MPP for ye ya de ye nye ni ye mesemo na o ye ni ye nyina ye Ghana o ye mayen MPP ye Ghana NDC ye Ghana ti be be ebebu aye no ye nyina ye ni akire e kire mo bebere me no anyame ka mo bye bye
me so nka o ye da se sabre for ko bia bio that Roger your last words
in last words American and they say a banu amembuo and a governance NPP does not have any clue when it comes to competence. A banu governance amembuo NPP omuni any clue on governance. They lack the expertise, the technical know-how on running economy, on ruling a nation. Like omo running Ghana's economy like a kiosk economy. Kiosk economy.
That's awesome with Debia. Okay.
Because Debia, one sir, I say, kiosk dinner. Omo to angwa kakra, tomatoes kakra, meko kakra, gari kakra, toffees, and a biscuit no. Na slum areas no bebia eni wo no. Na BCC wo no muti anajo be 8 o'clock. Utumi ko na davia pono ofie. Na so call obi ato ama because all the coins na but that is how MPP
made us say.
What's 5 minutes?
There be if I call it this is if I call it
and the amid chat one say MPP party no egu omo frustrated I say
na some crabo party egu
NDC
2016 egu
NDC 2016
and rebuilding am we
omo try some rebuild this everybody
made us say mama go aglebo back one say the omo dey show concern we NDC lawyer say
Lawyer say you see, no, my kind of crowd or hating. I don't know why.
How kind of crowd or hating?
If you let me tell you why, I on MP before back they wish this government they want this government to fail so that they can come to power. At least a leading member of MPP said that. Here, movement for change. We can never wish this government to fail. Do you know why?
Why?
Say Abani fail the effect on the state, too much. Like and another Ophélie, see the way cost of living across. See the way corruption as the issues our baba up that my national service issues no other issues. You know say a man failure, Abani failure affecting too much on the citizens. Until nobody should wish there Abani being failing there me too much power. That is why we don't want to do that. For example, this Galamsey issue, they issue 10-point plan as to how Abani on to hand the Galamsey. Ya suggest I'm Abani so offer us the Juma. Obobo here in as Ghanaians. Until you're approaching it different from MPP. And when MPP ones in there, you want Pabanya there, Abani fail, no we talk about power. And so you feel they say Abani failure. I'm a Timonfuno and as I'm a manfuno or bre. And we don't want that. That is why this government must succeed. So, but the next election, it will depend on who you present and the vision of that person. And you know, you can be fail and sign. I mean, the two about power. No, let the government succeed. Then also say, "But I was superior." Vision bia na za baba chagana for the to our mom na mba mayede na mayede. All right. That is why it's not because we support or we are NDC people or we support NDC, but if a government is doing what is good, even MPP you be free cement no baba foam. Iron what no baba foam. Also is ban no baba foam. The economy is doing better than MPP UJ. Let's say it as it is. Let's not pretend. Even when they are doing well, because we want to come back to
Uncle Ebo Bagman, very grateful for your time.
It's a lawyer, I'm catching that it is not the best.
Mr. Radon, we do chat to
and you say, Comfort Bonation comes a crumwa or Timubi. And it say MPP wish and say, I buy no aim failure yet Timubi. That is not our wish.
Roger, please. No, Roger, when you were talking, oh, Kasano and Kasa. No, please.
Enti ya wish say, a memoning ko ye, until ye who dear enya. Ye be ya no near Kasa deal with ye. Ye can't nasa far. Nasa suggestion that cried no more prefer solutions be brain. Tina said your mocha say. Roger, please. Allow me. There is this thing in say MPP. Letter na ababontin. Yeah. Yemfa na yemfa nya adwuma. Yesre say nuanom ba bibia wo bia no. Obeba ne nyina ya bom said honorable Kennedy Japan aka no. Nani so ade hunu ba ko na abamu no. And I know say with Kennedy Ohene Japan party no ebesa fa ntuma pa efrebium ani anankofo kaze na kufuado fail ye okwaba 2 times so winning in 2020 he won the elections 2028 enye kufuado ne de ne koye ye the different candidates na koye ye research che yes ye de akompra ko Kennedy Japan honorable kwa enu de be me etumi enti na emu bia ni abre no se ye nyina ye mpushi ye nyina mo mo akire nyina na mra se metie me nua ko asema o ka bebrebia ni ebo dia na ba kai ko because we ko mix me
hey ba don't say
ni nyina ne se
en Vincent eko amfa
eko hu mintie no de
na hwe
ebo de ma menwie ebo de no o tie ebo ayi ni nyina na o genuine concerns about treatment or go through under the MPP regime. But yet, you see, you're the grassroots person. Nipa ye nim free 92 or party no, and you see a man amnesty be no man be room. Aye party a juma poama grassroots sa to say o nim e bonum ne bra mo bre. Ono ne de ne ba honorable Kennedy Japan. Na afia be fa bomu nyina kan ho.
Me da say. Abusia for answer na me jam cry say me di ma for herbal center. Yeah, Dr. Time Daso. Wa usisi ya oya. Ujonku ya oya. Wa rawa no brebum. Chronic diseases be better the 30 amount. With my friend was 0244 774282. Again, read them on 0500 727215. In Kaya, Obo mo pokwase Maira. Kumase omo obakwa gugu. Be the government school they didn't share no more. Dr. Time Daso, the Lord is our ultimate healer. That's a kind of Lexter Company Limited. What you choose, say a yard toothpaste. What you choose, say a numera, a yard toothpaste. The yard toothpaste in the branch in there. A Tanya take Kinga. Aki and Popo. Woman part of the yard toothpaste, 3 yard toothbrush. Come on. It's the best. Me pa to bomodi na pebi na to. Na pebi etu aton wa. Wa won kran ha 050 161 9588 050 1390 338. Bomoding pa na ko pebi. Ebusia, ana mrema e kwa meri jumedi ne si. Your friend me Kobla Abotchie, aka Prof. But we have some birthday message to do over here. I don't know. Obani a soldier ni. Hey. Yeah, as I say, a soldier for so TM pow. Yaso ko bema campa. Omu fili some papa for God and country. Some kind. Bema camp. That usha ba oda screen so wishing you happy birthday to Private Boahema. Yeah, that's said the biada dano. Utie for God and country. I won't cry her. Private Boahema, pa. I am a man of scholarship. Uncle Backman, I'm out a scholarship. A year Private Boahema. Yeah, that's said the biada utie. And there would they. We wish you God's blessings. We wish you God's protection. Yes, right, nyame kwa tenten edeba. Na mpono ubenye sika. Na obewo na waso wase adore. Na mpono sesabre Private Boahema onyanya bema there. Come and see Prof. Now the prophet, and you get a handsome woman. God bless you. Thank you very much for being a part of our show. You're from a Prof. You didn't come on see.